Made certain observations, disposed of it. Yes. Yes, madam.
But I mention, my lord, one CRLMC 15552 of 2024, my lord, the compromise matter, my lord. In this case, offence are under section 307 and other offences are there. Injury is simple in nature, my lord.
Sorry?
But injury is simple in nature, my lord. Both the party compromise.
Give.
Date may be fixed, my lord.
Settlement, he will fix, don't worry.
Obligation.
Pardon to mention, my lord, item 27.
27.
Yes,
Yes.
kindly be taken up after 2 weeks.
After notice or fresh matter?
Fresh matter.
27. Urgent. Yes.
Obligation.
Item 7, permitted to withdraw, already memo filed.
7.
7.
Withdraw.
We'll call page wise. We'll call
Page wise, we'll call better.
Well,
Pardon to mention, my
1
lord.
minute. Page wise, we'll call.
Mention, my lord.
That means, okay.
CLMC 1457 of 2024. It's a compromise matter,
Compromise.
my lord.
Offense?
354 is there.
354.
54.
Give it.
Can you please show tomorrow, my lord?
Not tomorrow. We'll see.
Yes, they have.
My lord, obviously.
Page 1, item 2 to 9.
item 7, madam.
7 withdrawn.
Permitted to withdraw. Permitted.
3 also withdraw.
Item 8 also.
Item 8 also withdraw. Yes.
8.
8.
Some memo.
Memo jag de dive.
Item page 2, item 10 to 21.
Item 18 kindly be adjourned, my lord.
18.
18.
Fresh matter. 1 minute. 18. That's 22 matter. 23 matter. What?
23.
Defense not cure. What? Adjourn. Okay. Wherever there is defense.
Lord,
Page 3, item 22 to 35.
Item 22 permitted to withdraw, my lord.
Oh, 22 withdraw.
Pardon, my lord, item 28, my lord. Pray for 2 weeks after, my lord.
28.
8.
Fresh matter. Okay. Urgent.
Interim order contract.
There is entry model.
Yes, sir.
Then wait.
wait.
No one can appear, my lord.
Huh?
No one can
Let
appear.
me see. There is entry model. Then we no question of adjournment. We will see.
Item 24.
20.
4.
Yes.
After vacation.
Is there any entry model?
No.
Fresh matter.
No.
Adjourn. August.
Page 4, item 36 to 48.
Item 39, 39, my lord.
At the request of 44.
Item 39 can permitted to withdraw.
39 withdraw. Memo take. Yes.
Page 5, item 49 to 58.
My lord, item 53, my lord, fresh step may can be opposite party too.
50.
53.
Entry model is there.
No, my lord. Fresh matter compromise ହେଇଥିଲା divorce ଟା decree ହେଇଥିଲା ସେ opposite party to wife ଉପରେ notice ସେ advocate ଯେ concern ଥିଲେ ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ବୁଝିଲେନି କିଛି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡାକି ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ସେ ତେଣୁକରି fresh step ଆଉ ଥରେ ଦେବି neither notice nor AD has returned to this honorable court.
Seeks an adjournment to take fresh steps to serve the opposite party.
True.
Yes.
Page 6, item 59 to 71.
My lord, item 70, my lord. Permitted to, my lord, list this matter after vacation, my lord.
70.
770, my lord.
Oh, why?
My lord, meantime, I will remove the defect, my lord.
Defects. When it comes for the petitioner, seeks last week had an opportunity to cure the defects. Urgent.
Page 7, item 72 to 84.
My lord, 77 permitted to withdraw.
Withdraw. Give memo.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Page 8, item 85 to 92.
90, my lord, 90.
Yes.
Today I had entered appearance on behalf of the sole OP. And I have also obtained consent from a petitioner's counsel to adjourn the matter. No.
My lord, I am appearing
entered
for
appearance.
the petitioner. My lord, I am appearing for the petitioner.
Yes.
I have.
Yes, Mr. Naik.
My lord, I am appearing for the petitioner. I have no objection, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, interim order is there, my lord.
For the opposite party. At the request of counsel for the party. Urgent. Yes.
My name may be defective. my lord. I have entered or today I have entered.
Same.
My lord, imprimatur is there, my lord. Imprimatur is there, my lord. My lord.
Imprimatur.
After vacation of lordship, sir.
Page 9, item 93 to 101.
Lordship, item 97 may be taken after 2 weeks on behalf of senior counsel Subit Wale. He is on accommodation.
Adjournment.
Pardon?
97.
97.
You want an adjournment?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Is there any interim order?
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, opposite counsel is also here.
Put it, you are the,
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Lordship.
you have no
No, Your Lordship.
the joint request, adjourn. Interim order to continue. Yes.
Page 10, item 102 to 114.
Item 113, madam.
113.
113.
Hearing matter. Hearing matter.
Yes.
Can you take it one is after?
The revision petition.
Revision. Hearing matter.
On instruction
Let it be there in the board. We'll see. If it reaches, we'll, no, I'll accommodate, don't worry. I'll accommodate. Let it be there at least,
Hearing matter is associated.
hearing matter may not be, yes.
Item 115 to 119.
Item 116. It is a case of 2012. So I will take instruction whether is alive or not. It has come for hearing.
116, and counts for the petitioner seeks an adjournment to obtain instruction and to know regarding the present status of the petition.
Lordship may allow to
Pardon to make a mention, my lord.
Yes.
that is CRL MC 1445 of 2024. Here the complainant is Lordship, am I audible, Lordship?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I am mentioning CRL MC 1445 of 2024. It's a quashing. I have filed one quashment against my complainant here is my brother. It's absolutely a civil matter, Lordship, and I have to appear with.
All right, you give your memo, we'll see.
Lordship, there is urgency because on 3rd of May there is matter listed for ADCP, Executive Magistrate.
Give the memo, we'll see and get it listed. Don't worry. Yes. Any more mentioning? No. Start.
Item 2.
Item 2, my lord.
Yes.
If I may please in this case. The petitioner in this case is a State Bank of India employee, my lord.
Yes.
So allegation of the offense is that we have provided them a credit card, and accordingly, when the amount was disbursed, they have filed a complaint case. This FIR was lost. So there are two other matters, my lord. I may pray that all of the matters be tag along and be heard in one time. 3 of them, they are the SBI officers. I'm the chief manager. One of them is the field manager. One of them is the branch manager, my lord. 2 other cases are also pending before your lord. My lord?
Today it is listed.
No, my lord, it is not listed.
All 3 are bank officers.
Bank officers. My lord.
What are the allegations?
Allegation are 120, 420B. 120, 420.
Okay, what are the facts?
120B, 420. My lord.
Facts.
Facts is that that is the alleged offense. They have stated that we have offered them a credit card, following which the amount there is a limit of the amount for which the complainant is going to use. After that, there is going to be a deduction of money for the approved credit card. So, as per his allegation, he states that there is a message, the text message he gets, and after that he repays the amount of the EMI amount of that credit card. But in this case, he has alleged that there was no message at all, and we deducted one amount 4,022, 4,009.26. So those are the allegations, my lord. Let it be come with all of the matters.
Give the numbers.
My lord.
This matter along with the vacation this side of the paper.
Fix a date. What?
Yes. All the 3 matters.
Item 4.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My Lord, in this case, the petitioner is praying for early disposal of the miss case number 246 of 2021 pending before the sub-collector Sambalpur. The case is lingering since 2021 for submission of the inquiry report by the Revenue Authority, my lord.
Now, what is the
Petition was filed under section 133 of CRPC for removal of public nuisance, my lord.
Right down.
The opposite party is in.
Grievance of the petitioner is that the criminal case number 246 of 2021 is pending disposal before the court of subdivisional magistrate from sub-collector Sambalpur since 2021. Awaiting the what report?
Inquiry report, my lord.
Awaiting the inquiry report, the complaint case has not been decided as yet. Taking into consideration the submission made at the bar, I'm inclined to allow the application and direct the subdivisional magistrate sub-collector, sub-collector to dispose of the criminal miscase number 246 of 2021. Yes.
Okay.
Item 5.
Item 5, my lord, I am in DC, my lord. I want to withdraw, permission may be given to withdraw this matter, my lord.
So, where is the memo? You have to give a memo.
I'll give the memo, my lord.
Please give it.
My
Okay.
lord, deep privilege.
Item 6.
6. What is this matter?
Three matter of anticipatory option rejected twice. Thereafter, file this petition or not pass the FIR.
No, what is he asking?
Quashing, my lord.
Talking of the entire proceeding.
My lord,
But
FIR and enter proceeding.
and he says, FIR.
But,
Investigation is still on.
still on. Twice filed anticipated bail option that has been rejected.
Right now.
Certificate not
The
given.
petitioner is seeking quashing of the FIR. Quashing of the Pasta PS case number 118 of 2013, corresponding to city case number 281 of 2023. The matter, the FIR is still at the investigation stage. Meanwhile, the petitioner had approached this court seeking protection, seeking pre-arrest bail, which has already been rejected.
My lord, in BLAPL number 6458
Rejected. Rejected. ABAPL number
6458
6458 and
23 and
3890.
3890.
Petitions are disposed of. You have the dates, you don't have dates.
Date, my lord, BLAPL 6458 23 and dispose of 21/7/23. BLAPL number 3890 that and disposed of, my lord, 17/5/23.
I'm not inclined to entertain this petitioner's case. Liberty is granted to the petitioner to approach to avail the remedy under law at the appropriate stage. Yes.
And one line mention, my lord, certificate not given.
Yes.
Item 9.
Yes.
May I please your lordships, they allege the offense under section 490 day and 34 IPC. My lords, all accused person have been released, all accused people have been acquitted except the petitioner, my lords. Petitioner is the sister-in-law of the informant, my lords. The NBW last press NBW issued on 4th September 2000.
I'll set aside the NBW, go and appear.
My lord?
I'll set aside the NBW, go and appear before the court and seek remedy. Okay.
Okay.
Right. The grievance of the petitioner is that the date is NBW issued on
4th September 2018, my lords.
5th September.
4/9/2018.
This is 18.
18.
Why daughter date is 4/9/2018. NBW was issued against the petitioner. Petitioner. On instruction, the petitioner, counsel for the petitioner submits that the client would appear before the court on or before 30th of May 2024 and avail remedy now. Avail remedy under law. It is taking into consideration the convention the NBW issued by the court of ACJM, Jajpur. by order dated 4/9/2018 is certified, subject to petitioner appearing before the court below and every intermediate under law. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Item 10.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, here the petitioner praying for passing of the cognizance order dated 12/4/23 as well as criminal proceeding, your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the petitioner is a B.Tech student and the FIR against unknown persons, your Lordship, under section 457 and 380. Your Lordship, when the charge sheet submitted, your Lordship, kindly have a glance to page 33, last paragraph.
Yes.
In the middle portion, your Lordship, and under section 411 and 34 IPC against the present accused person number 5 Molek Kumar Behera, the present petitioner, and another Mr. Ashish Kumar Naik. Your Lordship, this Ashish Kumar Naik was working under my father's company, your Lordship, father's hardware shop, your Lordship, from whom all these stolen articles were recovered, and he was forwarded to court on that basis. We have no complicity with this case, your Lordship, but charge sheet submitted against us under 411 and 34. But your Lordship, see the cognizance order, page 50, your Lordship.
Yes.
On perusal of the same prime office case for commission under section offense under section 457 by 380 by 34 is well meant out. His cognizance of the offense under section 457 3 IPC is taken against all the accused persons, your Lordship.
So what do you want?
Your Lordship, we are charge sheeted under section 411. No articles were recovered from us. But due to confessional statement of the co-accused person and his own confession.
What you mean to say is the cognizance of offense under these sections are wrongly taken. It should have been taken in some other section.
Yes, your Lordship. And another also
It is a procedure, my lord. Always, my lord, cognizance taken against the offense, not the offender, my lord. It was a charge
At the stage of framing of charges, you can very well argue all these points. I'm giving that liberty to you.
Your Lordship, here, your Lordship, another aspect, your Lordship, here the complainant is also the friend of his father, and he has no issue against us. He is also.
You move an application for discharge on the provisions for which the cognizance has been taken against you. Madam, when comes for the petitioner seeks to withdraw this petition to raise all these issues and points before the court below at the stage of framing of charges with this liberty the petitioner is disposed. Yes. Yes. Next.
Item 11.
Lordship permitted to withdraw.
Withdraw. Where is your memo?
Sorry.
Memo.
I will give them.
Write down. Withdraw. Yes.
Item 12.
Item 12 may kindly pass over, my lord.
Pass over may not be possible. What is this case? What do you want? Cognizance.
Yes, my lord. Congress also. Charge sheet not filed, my lord.
Did not filed what? Cognizance. He challenging cognizance.
Cognizance.
You have not filed the copy of charge sheet. Then counsel for the petitioner seeks time to file the copy of charge sheet. You may do so within a week. Urgent.
Item 13.
Yes.
May I please, your Lordship? Here in this case, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Kond, I may permit it. On behalf of Mr. Kond, I may permit it.
Yes, sir.
Here in this case, my lord, the petitioner is a doctor, my lord. While he was going to his office, my lord, an accident was occurred. Then he filed he submitted a written report before the IAEC, my lord. Then FIR was lodged. I have annexed that, your Lordship may kindly.
The doctor met with an accident.
My lord. Then, my lord, the police submitted charge sheet against both the petitioner and the person who has dashed with the motorcycle of this petitioner, my lord. Both have been arraigned as accused, my lord. So, my humble submission, your Lordship, says that there is an accident, my lord. So, accident occurred at the on the negligence driving of the my lord a person, and the another person will suffer, my lord. For that, my lord, I have lost. And I have been treated before the doctor, my lord. Medical certificate is also seized by the police.
You were riding the vehicle.
I am riding the motorcycle. He is also riding the motorcycle, man. And he has come in wrong track. Accident in my bike. Then I have lost the FIR because I have sustained some injuries.
Both of you sustained injury.
Both
of you sustained injury.
He has not his medical certificate has not been attached in the charge sheet, man.
What is the offense?
Offense
279, 337.
337.
Although my lord, against rash and negligence driving, both of them each
Both
other.
can be vast experience here. When this side, two persons out there.
I can't visit this spot to see who was driving what.
ତାକୁ ପାର୍ଟି କରି ଧରି ଆଣିଲେ ଦି ଜଣଙ୍କର ସରିଯାନ୍ତା
You bring him and we will finish.
ନା ଯଦି ନୋଟିସ ଆପଣ ଇନଫର୍ମାଣ୍ଟ ପାର୍ଟି ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଆସିଗଲା ସେ ହି ଆଜ୍ଞା କିଏ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଡକ୍ଟର ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହେଇକି ଅଲଗା ଗଲେଣି ହାଉ କେନ୍ ଆଇ ଡିଟେକ୍ଟିଭ ଅଲସୋ ହଁ ମୁଁ ଇନଫର୍ମାଣ୍ଟ ମତେ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ କରି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲେ
You had
I'm adding him. Your lordship may stay the further proceeding, and definitely he will come and matter will be settled. A small matter.
You know,
Right on. When it comes for the petitioner seeks permission to implead the informant or injured.
the co-accused as the
He has been errored. My lord, I have
it's one of the accused the who has made the accident.
Tell the name.
Name, my lord.
Co-accused opposite party number 2. Let him do so during the course of the day. Issue notice to the opposite party number 2, Mr. Ragada.
Subrat Kumar Sahu.
So address taking Korantu. I shall stay.
Oh, yes, state and oil.
We don't waste time.
Right. Further proceeding. Give me the detail. Where further proceeding?
Further proceeding in paragraph in the constitutional I mentioned, my lord. City case number 1152 of 2022 arising out of Jashpur PS case number 163 of 2022 pending in the court of law and SDGM Jashpur.
Further state and this side of vacation you give so that you try to finish.
Yes, I will
Serve and bring him.
Man.
Item
requisite file say requisite file lordship direct file
during the course of
during the course of tomorrow.
Oh, bless. Item 12 में can you dispose of lordship? Case is dated lordship. Cognizance for
what did I do?
But charge sheet में हजूर को है.
Charge sheet no. Cognizance order.
I am not paying for washing your lordship. Lordship, my responsible submission, your lordship, glance. Father-in-law, husband have already been religion bail. I am the mother-in-law. Cognizance 306. I may be directed to surrender first or second or parental lordship, so that will be my purpose will be suffice.
Right on. Consider the petitioner and in this petitioner challenge the order dated 28/2/2023 passed by JMFC Chilka in GR case number 375 of 2022, whereby cognizance for offense under section
306, 498, 304B, 406, 34.
I will take. And consequently, the petitioner submits that the petitioner is the mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law lordship.
But petitioner is the mother-in-law.
And so far father-in-law
in so far as the father-in-law and mother-in-law are concerned, they were also co-accused with the present petitioner and has already been enlarged on bail by the coordinate bench of this court by daughter dated 22/2023 and 19/5/2023, while allowing the BLAPL number 12275 of 2022 and 3755 of 2023 respectively. The counsel petitioner submits that he is not pressing the present petition seeking quashing of the cognizance at this stage. However, seeks liberty to appear before the court below and move appropriate application for grant of bail on the ground of parity. If such application is moved, the same shall be considered the same day.
By both the courts. By both the courts.
By both the courts.
Item 14.
By both the courts below.
Yes, ma'am.
Take disposal.
Ultra short.
14 minutes.
Husband, father-in-law is valid for that. Yes.
Lordship, 14 item 14 pray for Passover.
Tell me
507.
what is, passport may not be possible.
Lordship, the cognizance has been taken under section 507 of IPC.
Huh?
507 of IPC only.
Yes.
Lordship, the allegation in the FIR is that the petitioner instigated the informant to marry her, and then he denied to marry the informant and sent some sent some WhatsApp message and threatened for direct consequences. That is the only allegation.
That's enough for cognizance.
506, my daughter.
Lordship,
507.
507.
That's enough for cognizance. What is wrong in cognizance order? There are allegations, the material available on record, therefore this has been.
For that, in charge not submitted 350 or 506, 120 34
Yes.
not submitted. But submitted 507.
You argue those things at the stage of framing of charges.
Yes.
That's better. When a consular petitioner seeks to withdraw this petition to argue all these points before the court below at the stage of framing of charges, with this liberty, the petition is disposed.
Item 15.
Yes. 15. Let's see what is this. Defects.
The reports are to be produced. Some reports are to be produced.
Reports. Where is that?
Case diary, postmortem report, inquiry report.
Case diary আছে
Case diary, postmortem report, inquiry report. Other
Case diary আছে
There was some order issues.
Right.
Up to date. Case diary.
But nobody is appearing for the petitioner, but a case diary is already received.
The pursuant to the direction of this court, the case diary and all
Madam,
relevant information has already been received by the counsel for the state. However, no APS for the petitioner in the interest of justice adjourned. August
16.
16 minutes. Well, the petitioner has filed this case for causing of inter-criminal proceeding. On the ground of that, the petitioner has been married to the victim, present opposite pat number 4, presently.
Okay.
And the alleged offences are under section 376(3) and 4 POCSO. And
where are they?
Taking one step.
Adjourned.
19.
Yes.
As a matter of Belgium matter, NMW dated 3/5/2023 at page 12, my lord. Offense under section 138 enact, my lord. Monetary dispute, my lord. Both parties filed Sagera.
There is an accused in the 160 case number 160 of case number 284 of 2020 under section 138 NI. Due to his absence during the trial, the court of SDJM Balashore, by order dated NBW issued on
3/5/2023.
order dated 3/5/2023 issued NBW. On instruction, when the petitioner submits that he would be appearing for court on or before 30th of May 2024 and avail remedy and seek remedy available to him under law. Taking into consideration the statement made to the bar, the NBW counsel is cancelled subject to petitioner appearing before the court below on or before 30th of May. Allowed. Yes.
20.
My lord, after lunch. After lunch, my lord.
After lunch may not be possible, madam. What is this matter is? You tell me. Is there any urgency?
My lord,
You are
petition
challenging which order?
challenging, my lord, Annexure 4, my lord.
Annexure 4. What is this?
Petitioner filed the petition under section 126 CRPC that has been rejected, my lord.
Yes.
Against the ex parte order, my lord. Yes, madam.
You are agreed by this order, 7/7/23.
Yes, madam.
This order is nothing. It is simply adjourned. Case record is put up today for filing objection and hearing of the petition. Dated 5/7. Both the counsels are present. Then counsel of the petition filed objection on such day and heard the rival contention. Put up later. What is wrong here?
No, my lord.
there is
It's
a-
88.
there-
The order is paid
Yes, yes.
88. Against the expected order, madam. My lord, notice sent on the residential address, and petitioner is a government servant. That is transferable job. So he has not received any notice either in process or.
Little louder.
My lord, notice sent in the residential address, and petitioner is a government servant, so he has not received any notice either in process or to process order. And he has been made expected on
Maintenance case, let notice be issued.
notice is to.
Let them to
Ex
appear.
parte order and all.
Yes.
Yes.
Issue notice to the opposite
Yes.
party returnable.
Oh, bless me.
21.
May I please, your lordship? The petitioner is the husband contesting in the 125 proceeding.
21 ta?
125.
Sorry, I'm sorry, 29.
21.
I'm the 29. I beg pardon.
Can you adjournment, my lord?
What is this matter?
Or not prepared, my lord?
You have filed, prepare. You tell me what is the matter report. I will not adjourn like this.
Here, my lord, the senior counsel.
No,
now-
wait, let him speak.
No, now senior counsel conducting the case. But just now, one case he has conducted and went away. Sent the junior. Here is a crux of the case. That is why he sent the junior.
I know.
He has not given the certificate. That is why he very well knows that I have not given certificate. And he has filed the application and sent the juniors. And now the ring in the cat's neck.
I know. I will not adjourn. You have treated assist.
केस डिस्पोज होला पर जना पुणे आसीबे
Unity time passing it over, and you have to argue. Okay. I am not passing it over any other matter except your matter. Okay. You get ready yourself and come.
Yes.
And pass.
23.
And adjourn this matter, my lord.
What is this matter?
Express my file somehow.
Order dated 16/8/2000. What is this matter, Mr. Maharaj? Well, the problem is adjourning is not.
No,
issue.
this
Issue
is my lord.
unnecessary is getting pending and
23/311 CRPC filed by the APP, which is allowed, posted to 13/9/2023 for a re-examination. And in the meantime, might have been re-examined and matter has already been disposed of infructuous. And earlier a CRM application was filed that has not been given any certificate. So this is nothing, my lord. This has already been infructuous. Might have been.
See, it was for recalling of a particular witness. And that was long back in 2023.
Yes.
That might have over by now.
Siabo
Things
kitchen
survive.
october.
Instruction can you any date, my lord, or I will this that data I will.
Friday. Friday.
1 week after it.
Friday. Monday. Okay.
Next.
Monday.
Next.
Monday. You get instructions. Nothing survives here. Unnecessary, these matters are pending.
Yes.
Yes.
25.
Yes.
My lordship, pass the criminal proceeding.
Yes.
25 ଟା କପି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଆମେ ଅଛୁ ପାର୍ଟି ଆଜ୍ଞା କପିଟା ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
But see, investigation is still on
In my lordship, जो 120
because you have challenged the FIR.
my lordship 125 ଟା जो ଆମର mutual divorce ଟା judgment ହେଇଗଲାଣି
ସେଥିଲାଗି ଆମେ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ
125 କଣ mutual divorce ହୁଏ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
135 ଟା maintenance.
ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ ଟା ଆମେ ସେଇଟା ଏବେ ଆମେ ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ ଟା କେସ୍ ରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଲରେଡି ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ଅଛି ଡିଭୋର୍ସ ଟା
Divorce 13B ଟା.
13B ଟା
You have settled then?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Huh?
ସାର୍ ବହୁତ ପାର୍ଟି କି ଡାକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଆପ୍ପିୟର
ଡାକି
ହେଇଛି
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ରେ, ଆପଣ ଧରିକି ଆସିବେ ନା?
ହଁ ଆମେ ନେଇକି ଆସିବୁ
କେବେ ଆସିବେ କଣ?
Who date court? Who date court?
ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଡେଟ୍।
May 8.
ମେ
ହଁ
8
May 8.
May 8
83 ହଁ?
ହଁ ବହୁତ ପାର୍ଟି ହବ
498 and all.
Yes.
Bring them
ହଁ।
with us.
ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେଇଦେବା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Copy ଟେ ଦେଇଦିଅ।
ଏବେ
ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ଦେଇ copy ଟେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Yes.
26.
Yes.
pass over
26.
pass over
No, why pass over? That matter is passed over. That
Mr. Jena, Mr. Jena,
Huh?
Mr. Jena.
Same
Yes.
Okay, pass over.
okay
Pass over.
29.
May I please your lordship? I am sorry I was
Hmm.
well the petitioner is the husband before lordship contested in the 125 proceeding and it is lost. Thereafter revision was filed. Two revisions was filed. 125 in 125 proceeding, the mother and the child were the parties.
28.
And the child against the opposite partner 2 was added as the opposite partner to petition number 2 in the 125 proceeding. He is aged about 35 years. And the evidence is there. You will also find page 37, running page. She has already married and having the living relationship another. That in respect of the petition number 2, the maintenance was not allowed. So
But it is written, represented through the mother.
Well, it's the
35 years.
35 years. Well, it's, now in the revisional court, when that petition number 2 filed the revision, that is allowed. And I have filed the revision against the maintenance against the both the parties. Petition number 1.
Where you? Yes.
So
Kumari.
it is a common order.
Menaka Gomango, 35 years.
She is
So-and-so,
daughter of
represented by
so-and-so.
mother.
In the 37, you must be kind Peruge, 36.
But she's mentally.
No, page 36, running page. This is our view of the running trial court. You must be kind page 36 only.
36.
Last, towards the last lines, bottom, you must be kind got it.
Yes.
It is clear from the evidence in exhibit H and I, as well as the oral evidence of number 6, affidavit 6. The petition number 2 is in a domestic relationship with one Surendra Sobar and they have a child together.
Sir, we will issue notice.
Notice, sir.
But say an interim order may kind of the stay operation of the court order.
See, maintenance matter generally stay is not well. That counts for the petitioner seeks the liberty to move appropriate application before the court below seeking adjournment. In the event such application is moved, the same shall be considered. Yes.
But they will file the execution case there.
Execution I have
Yes.
directly given the state.
Oh, bless me.
Yes.
Requisites by
Requisite by tomorrow.
registered post. Oh, bless me.
Registered.
Item 30.
One week after also.
Why? What is this matter?
Matter.
What the order dated 2/2/24? What is this order?
It is the Lorraine
110 ରେ
110
bond
issued the
executive ପାଇଁ ଡାକିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଦେବେନି କଣ କରିବେ?
It's only bond.
କଣ କରିବେ କଣ?
with that
Eh?
they directed to me the file Melbourne furnished Melbourne the concerned holders.
Write down what is it. Where is that order?
The
Order is page 11, Annex 2.
Yes.
till date no course of action.
What is
ତାଦେହରେ କିଛି କୋର୍ସ ଆକ୍ସନ ନାହିଁ। ତମେ ଯିବ ବଣ୍ଡ ଦବ ଯିବ ଆସିବ।
bond ଦେବା ପାଇଁ you are so
As because the
egoistic.
police person is searching the house for the petitioner.
All right out. Learned counsel for this petitioner seeks to withdraw this petition with the liberty to
Yes.
liberty to appear before the
Sub-divisional
court
magistrate.
of sub-divisional magistrate
Padampur.
Padampur.
on or before 30th of May.
Yes,
yes.
30th of May,
Hmm.
2024, and furnish the bail bond
Yes, yes.
as directed by the court below.
By its order dated
by
2
its order dated
2/2/2024.
24.
with
Yes.
liberty, the petitioner is disposed.
Yes.
You saw it. This is your
Yes, yes, sir.
Say
police
it,
will-
isn't it?
no police will do anything. Right.
Obliged, sir.
31.
May I please, Mr. Let's, the petitioner had earlier approached this court in 438 minutes. The prayer was not allowed particularly, rather he was directed to surrender before the courts below minutes. The backdrop of the case is, minutes, the petitioner is an accused in a case under section 302/114 of the Indian Penal Code minutes. No allegation of 302 against him. He was charge sheeted, but never apprehended by the investigating agency. As the matter stood thus, minutes, all the principal accused persons who were directly named in the FIR and so also in the charge sheet faced their trial, and due to want of evidence, minutes, in the meantime have been acquitted. That the order of acquittal is at annexure 3 minutes, starting page 26 minutes, in which it has been detailedly held that none of the witnesses supported the prosecution case.
Supported for them. Maybe support in your case.
No, it is a contesting case. The FIR itself narrates that the deceased person
When
had.
you will appear before court, and I'll record this.
My lords.
And go and appear, and I'll expedite the trial.
Lordships, my limited prayer, my lords, parity may be canvassed at the time.
I'll record that. I'll record that.
My
Record that. Right on. Then how many accused were there?
Three accused persons.
Three.
My
Two,
lords.
two of them had.
No, three have been acquitted, my lords.
All the three.
My lords.
A total of how many accused?
Total 5 persons were charge sheeted, my lords.
Charge sheeted, 3 acquitted.
3 have been
What about the
acquitted.
other 2? One you.
My lords, one is the present petitioner, my lords,
And
and
the
the
other
other person is not a petitioner before, my lords.
I know, still absconding.
My lords, that no instructions will.
The petitioner is an accused in FIR number so and so. Charge sheet was filed in the case against 5 accused persons. Out of them, including the petitioner, 2 accused persons remain absconding. Therefore, 3 accused persons, those who have been apprehended, were put to trial. While order dated 25 April 2006, in session trial case number 157 of 2005, all the 3 accused persons, those who were set for trial, have been acquitted by the court of sessions judge
Khurda at
Khurda at Bhubaneswar. At this stage, the petitioner has approached this court by filing the present petition, seeking quashing of the entire proceeding. Counsel for the petitioner in the outset submits that he has approached this court seeking pre-arrest bail, which has already been tried. In these circumstances, he submits that he would be appearing before the court on or before the court below, or appearing before the trial court on or before 30th of May 2024, and seek remedy available to him. He further submits that he would move an bail application on the ground of parity, and the same may be considered on its own merit. In the event such application is moved, the same shall be considered on its own merit. And since the FIR is of which year?
2004.
Since the FIR is of 2004, and 3 accused persons have already been subjected to trial and has already been acquitted, it would be appropriate if the trial is expedited. With this observation, the petition is. Yes.
Can I pray, my lords? Till then, at least till May 30, no.
What court has not given you anticipatory bill, how can I give? Yes.
32.
Sorry.
Item number 32 will be taken up after lunch.
Why? After lunch may not be possible. You are challenging the cognizance order.
Yes, sir.
Offense is under section
376 2N on the ground that they both married.
Married.
They are married.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, already.
married. They are married. You will also fix a date there so that they will have to.
POXO is not there.
No, boxes.
They're married then.
Asatu diyan.
Given you, Kunal?
You will also on 7th.
Seven. Okay.
7th.
Seventh. Bring them with the affidavit and please prepare the affidavit properly.
Right.
Not that one line affidavit. We have
No, no,
settled
no, no.
quasi. Don't see that.
Okay,
Give the terms of settlement. Because if they are married after this case,
yes.
and their life has to be also secured.
Yes.
So you have to bind them. You have to bind them in the affidavit.
The paramount consideration.
So therefore, you in the affidavit only you give details so that there won't be any problem subsequently. Detail affidavit. Then counsel for the petitioner seeks an adjournment to file a detailed affidavit of the parties as the parties have already settled their dispute and settled their dispute. It is stated at the bar that petitioner number 1 and opposing party number 2 have already married.
Yes.
In view thereof, in view thereof, the opposite party number 2 doesn't want to proceed against the petitioner. Leave the matter on 7th with affidavit. Yes.
33.
7th.
Yes. Yes, sir.
In this case, the petitioners have challenged the complaint case filed by the informant 1164/2015 pending before the Land Court of James Rural Balapur, my lord, on the ground that on the same occurrence and same facts, the FIR has been registered against all the petitioners and the criminal case has been initiated. Criminal trial has been proceeded and now the trial has already commenced. And the occurrence took place on 2013, my lord. And the charge sheet, after proper investigation, police has submitted charge sheet. Now, the 2015, another complaint case has been filed by the same informant on the same ground, my lord, the same occurrence. And yes, same facts.
That is not correct.
Yes, my lord.
What happened, my lord?
One minute.
Kindly
Kindly have a glance. The annexer 1, my lord, running page 13. The occurrence took place on Thursday, 14/11/2013 at about 10 p.m. against all the accused person 19 and others. And the FIR, the relevant portion of the FIR running page 15, my lord. It was alleged that all the accused persons came to the night at 10 p.m. and there created disturbance in the house of the informant. And my lord, thereafter FIR has been lost. Now the annexer, kind of the complaint case under annexer 2 series at running page 37.
Yes.
That is 1164/2015 filed by the same informant Srimati Annapurna Pal against all the accused persons who have been implicated in the criminal case, my lord. And my lord, at running page 39, the date and occurrence has been mentioned. On 14/11/2013 at about night 10 Ratri 10 ghotika samoyre. And 13/11/2015. The no occurrence took place in complaint case. Last line he has on page 41. He has mentioned that ukto বিষয় আম্ভে অবগত তা 13/11/15 তারিখে জানিলা পরে আমি বাধ্য হই শিহজুরଙ୍କ শরণাপন্ন হেলু. That is what is the main allegation in the complaint case. The police has not charge sheeted against some of the accused persons. And the offense, as alleged by the informant, that has not been taken.
Incident is of 13/11.
40.
Yes.
My lord, that is correct, my lord. But the charge sheet, FIR laws against 19 persons, my lord. While the police submitted charge sheet, my lord, deleted major offences against the some of the my lord, they not submitted charge sheet against, my lord, the 12 persons, my lord. Only submitted charge sheet against 7 persons, deleting major offences. For that reason, my lord, the complaint is filed, my lord.
This is a protest petition.
My lord, in same protest, but here, my lord, and see page 39, gote de porji. थाना रे इतला दिया जाय थला की गोटे अछि कलम सेते कहै हां पुलिस बाबू मुदलांक ऊपर सिटी केस नंबर 2776 2013 ମକଦ୍ଦମା କରିଛନ୍ତି ମାତ୍ର ଗୁରୁତର ଦଫା କେତେ ଗୁଟେ ମୁଦ୍ରାଙ୍କୁ ଅଭିଯୋଗ ପତ୍ରରୁ ବାଦ
This is
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
a protest petition.
ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ଅଛି ମୁଁ କିଛି
This is a protest petition.
and
What do you
70 other against ନିଆ ହେଇଛି right
But my respectful submission is that my respectful submission, if that will be tried separately.
I don't know.
You filed petition there.
First ground that self-some ground, second complaint is filed. It's wrong because it is a protest petition. They can file it.
Major offenses is deleted and some persons also deleted.
May I pray, my lord, at least both the cases, maybe, my lord.
Two applications there. When counsel for the petitioner seeks to withdraw this petition to file appropriate application before the court below for analogous trials of both the case arising out of the FIR number so and so and the complaint case with this liberty the complaint case 1cc case number 1164 2015 FIR number hochi Baleshwar PS case 9 2 page case है Remuna PS case number 180 of 2013. No application. If such application is moved, the same shall be considered and decided. Yes.
34.
Nothing of FIR, my lord. On the ground that, my lord, the offense which has been alleged in the FIR, that is 376(2)(n is not made out. And also the FIR which has been filed by the informant, lodged by the informant, basing upon false and fabricated story, my lord. Here, my lord, your lordship can have a glass to the FIR first, my lord. At page 11, the relevant portion, my lord. ମୁଁ ନୀଳାଦ୍ରି ଭୋଇ ବୟସ 20 ବର୍ଷ ସୁଆଂଶୁ ଧର୍ମଗଡ଼ ବାସିନ୍ଦା ଲେଖିବାର କାରଣ ଏହିକି ଯେ ମୋର ଆମ୍ଭ ଗ୍ରାମର ବିଷ୍ମ ନାୟକ ପିତା ଶ୍ରୀକର ନାୟକ ସହିତ ମୋର ପ୍ରେମ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ରଖି
Cognizance has been taken.
No, I am investigation. FIR, my lord. Because, my lord,
You say wrongly cognizance is taken?
No, I have never said. I have not said.
Wrongly this provision is invoked.
Yes, my lord.
At the stage of investigation.
Yes, my lord.
Go and tell. They will, how do you know?
Your lordship, can permit me to submit, my lord. Here, my lord, the FIR has been lodged on my lord, that is on 4/4/2024.
And I'll tell you, when the now the new amended acts are coming, thereafter you will file these kind of cases because the police are not trained. If anything said, they'll invoke whatever provision they want.
By annexure 2 series, my lord.
It's going to happen. Everybody knows now the provisions, there is no problem. The police will have a huge problem there. And litigation will also increase. Complaint will be something else. FIR will be lodged in some other provision. That is bound to happen. Yes.
Here, my lord, the FIR has been lodged by the informer alleging therein that ମୋର ପ୍ରେମ ଶ୍ରୀକର ନାୟକ ଭୀଷ୍ମ ନାୟକ ପିତା ଶ୍ରୀକର ନାୟକ ସହିତ ମୋର ପ୍ରେମ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ରଖି ବିବାହର ପ୍ରଲୋଭନ ଦେଖାଇ ମତେ 14/3/2024 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ସମୟ ପ୍ରାୟ 5:30 ସମୟରେ ମତେ ଏକ ମୋଟର ସାଇକେଲ ଯୋଗେ ଜୟପାଟଣା ଥାନା
where it says that at the inception it can be quashed. Which paragraph?
Here, my lord, paragraph 18. Regarding, my lord, the offense, my lord.
Forget about the offense. You say that at the investigation stage also you can quash it.
During investigation period, my lord, the accused petitioner has invoked 482 jurisdiction before the Honorable High Court.
Where? Where does it say?
That is, my lord, at paragraph 24, your lordship may say. See. Inherent powers under Section 482 Code of Criminal Procedure through wide have to be exercised sparingly, carefully, and with great caution, and only when exercise is justified by the test specifically laid down in this section itself. Authority of the court exists for the advancement of justice. If any abuse of the process leading to injustice is brought to the notice of the court, then the court would be justified in preventing injustice by invoking inherent powers in the absence of specific provisions in the statute. Here, my lord, the Honorable High Court dismissed the 482 application, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the accused petitioner approached the
There he has got the anticipatory bail.
Anticipatory bail, my lord.
In this case, he has already applied for anticipatory bail and got it. He has not followed the shortcut method of applying 482 and seek remedy after 438. That's the judgment.
No, that is
Judgment is against you.
that is why, my lord, I am
Don't take that risk.
But that judgment passed taken into consideration of Bhajanal case, my lord. Here, my lord, the case is made out.
There he has applied for
No case is
bail,
made out,
got
my lord.
anticipatory bail, and thereafter moved an application saying that it is a false case.
No, remedy
You are
is available.
shortcutting. You get anticipatory bail. I'll
No,
call.
I am not praying for anticipatory bail here, my lord.
Anticipatory bail only.
Till their appearance, my lord, till her appearance, my lord, I may be interim protected, my lord.
You-
If your lordship
you
will
glad
dismiss my
upon-
application,
you
then
glad
my I will take remedy under section 438,
You
my
will
lord.
glad upon a judgment, it goes against you.
No,
What can I do?
no, is judgment jaha achi in paragraph
I have issued notice and
till that date on. If your lordship will not satisfy, then my 482 application will be rejected. Then I have to invoke the 438.
right, thereafter you will not file requisite. Thereafter you will send
Yeah, my lord.
here. Thereafter
Your
everything happens.
may direct. Your lordship may direct. If you will not file the requisite within your lordship's period,
See,
then
how can I shortcut 438? I don't understand in 482. This is
No,
very
because, my
bad
lord,
practice.
because, my lord, this offense is not made out, my lord.
How you had see investigation at this threshold? How do I know whether you are married or not? I don't know.
Even if I have not married, my lord, for the sake of argument, even if I have not married,
I'll record everything and relegate you to the right court. I'll tell you that is the best way. I'm recording everything. I'll say that at this stage I'll not interfere, but you have a liberty to appear, approach the court and get remedy. And I will make the observation that in fact no case is made out. However, since investigation is going on, I will not enter. And thereafter I will relegate you to. Then you get the bail. What is the problem?
may I pray finally one thing, my lord? I will appear before the IO. Your lordship may till my appearance, your lordship may protect me, my lord. I will appear before the IO. Produce everything, my lord. Till that date, my lord. My record, my statement will be recorded by the IO. I will produce everything, my lord.
34.
Notice kalo na.
Secondly, the ASE mediation पठे दिले सर जाता.
That's what I'm saying.
That is why that is why I am praying for interim petition.
Coming Monday pay rako. Let us see.
My lord.
Monday you try. Sir, we'll see. If he comes on Monday, we'll I'll see that it is settled. If she doesn't come, then I'll protect. Okay. Wait till Monday.
My lord. Oblation.
35. Remind me on Monday.
My lord.
So that see, these are the.
If the petition accept her as a wife, my lord. Here they will go, my lord.
May I finally pray one thing, my lord? If your lordship will direct my lord and senior, then through PS they can appear, my lord. Because if I will file notice more requisite, I will file the requisite. But it will take some time, my lord. Monday, if your lordship will fix
requisite to be filed during the course of the day.
Course of the day, I will file, my lord.
You do it then.
My lord, I will file, my lord.
It's a hard case, I understand, but
Resti post, I will file my
very hard case. I understand your problem, but what to do?
I will file.
We have to do it within the four corner of law.
I will file the requisites through restored post, my lord.
Yes, you do it.
Obliged, man.
Yes. 35.
The order dated 8/4/2024, where the petition has been filed under section 311 for recall of the witness, that has been rejected. Only that he has treated it before the court below, that the only to confront her the statement of one statement, that the only PW1 will be recalled. That has been rejected by the.
Who is PW1?
PW1 is the victim, my lord. Allegation was that there is a love affairs. They have promised to make.
POXO is there.
No, SC/ST. 3 SC/ST. POXO is not there.
But the
senior.
But in fact, the victim malad examined 2016 malad. And 8 years after they filed the case, after closing of the evidence and
no, there is no bar. There is 311.
Some limit also.
Unless it is recalled, my lord, the confrontation. Only one day it can be.
What is the stage of the trial?
Trial is going on.
313 settlement, my lord, at the stage of 313, they filed the petition, my lord. From the side of the prosecution, evidence closed. 7/3/2024.
Only one day. That is so that.
I'll issue
6 hours
notice, let me see.
6 hours per
Simply
se.
I'll issue notice, let us. Issue notice to opposite party now. Returnable, short date correction. Yes.
36.
I have filed one IA.
Yes, yes.
This is already delayed for such a long time.
Yesterday's section 15.
Section 15 matter.
Then
498 and 494 is in FR is registered, my lord. 498 say reads as follows, my lord.
see, if the 498 is not made out, then at charge stage you can argue all these things.
498 এটা কোশ্চেন সেটা আমরা ছাড় দিয়ন্তু তাকে এক্সোনারেট করে দিয়ন্তু বাট 494 টা কেমতে এক্সোনারেট হবে সেটা দ্যাট ইজ দ্য কোশ্চেন দ্যাট ইজ টু বি ডিসাইডেড
Yes, yes. After a decree of divorce, my lord, she is no more my wife. And moreover, while challenging this order, she has only limited his prayer to the amount of maintenance, my lord. Kindly see the page 45, my lord.
Cognizance is already been taken.
Yes, yes. Page 45, my lord.
45.
Yes. Challenging that order, she went for appeal, and during the appeal, London court had this matter. Page paragraph 10. Page 45, paragraph 10. At the time of hearing of the appeal, the London counsel for the appellant, my lord, is a wife.
Right.
Fairly submitted that in the meantime, the respondent has got married to another girl, and for which the appellant is not interested to return back to her matrimonial home and stay with the respondent as his wife.
That is obviously the always what to do. But that is
The appellant has only challenged the quantum of permanent alimony.
that has nothing to do with the offense. How to get out of the offense?
That
498, okay.
Okay, madam. Then 494, madam. Marrying again during lifetime of a husband and wife. In admittedly, the decree of divorce is passed, and thereafter appeal has been confirmed, my lord. In the appeal.
But before that period, section 15 is creating problem for you.
But she is not harping on that point, my lord. Ki I want to know.
I'll just issue notice, let us
Yes, yes.
see, let us come.
A short debate that may given, my
We can
lord.
try to sort out.
Yes.
Because he is not interested in you.
खाली पैसा नब जीवो
जीवो कौन
she is interested.
Mr. Legal.
ready to
ତାଙ୍କର purpose solve ହେଇଗଲା ସେ ଆସ
because technically you have committed the offense.
But what is the ultimate result, my lord? Now
that is the reason we can settle it out.
Yes.
That's the reason.
I will facing the trial without nothing.
She also may not be interested.
Yes, yes. खाली पैसा पहले
Divorce has been taken and the money
and that has been confirmed.
Confirm, and you have to pay a little more money for the purpose of watching of that property.
ସେତିକି ଦେଇଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ
3 ଲାখ ଟା ପାଇଛି
And before this side of the vacation you give.
yes
Delay କଲେ ଏଟା ଫାଇଦା
ସେ in course of day ଚାର୍ଜ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ
मैं କାଲି कर जी.
yes
କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ next week ଲଗେଇଦିଅ
Next week.
ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ କରିଦେବ.
yes yes
Yes.
37.
A date may fix, my lord.
The date see 7th, 8th or 9th anytime.
notice be issued
Notice and during the course of day.
yes
Requisites.
I am doing, my lord.
In the last occasion, my lord also directed that both the party remain present.
Yes.
Both the party also remain present before the honorable court.
They are there.
Okay. I'm for the informant and the both parties are present
They are there.
before.
Okay. You just show me the injury report.
Injury report, page 18.
Because 307 is there.
307 suddenly,
Whether it is simple injury.
that also not clarified, but the court is the expert and expert, he also present before the honorable court.
They are present doesn't make any difference. They will have to be present.
Within 1 month.
Scalp
And
injury,
the-
head injury. Head injury. Scalp injury, for that reason, my lord, this honorable court directed the prisoner to go and surrender release and bail subject to verification of the injury report. Since the injury is grievous nature, they could not, my lord, they.
Where is the injury report? The injury report is
Injury
very
report also fine, unacceptable.
Where is that?
Page 18.
80.
18.
1/8, huh?
1/8.
Yes. Let's see.
4 inch to 2 inch scarf.
Grievous or what?
Grievous.
Reserve. Opinion reserve.
His health condition is quite well and is present before my lordship. The informant is very much present.
It is grievous as because, my lord, the in persons order this only court, my lord, they could not avail the same as because, my lord, the court held in the last paragraph, if the injuries are found to be grievous in nature, implicated to the vital part of the body.
I understand.
For that reason, my lord, after, my lord, they have to file a joint affidavit.
Page 16 also file an affidavit. Page 16.
Affidavit has already been filed.
Lower court here they have
1/6, huh?
1/6.
Lower court is it?
Lower court and order of the lower court.
Here, where is the affidavit?
They have to file joint affidavit.
Most of them will file.
And the affidavit should be, you should write everything detailed. Not that one line affidavit, we have settled.
No, everything will be mentioned. Everything will be mentioned.
And the injured have to pay the victim. Where is the victim? Ask him how much he spent on treatment. How much he spent?
He's a lawyer also.
He's an advocate.
Then
And then that is
300,
mentioned.
3,500 expense, my lord.
They spent 3,500.
They have not given anyone to him.
come with minimum 10,000 rupees. Minimum 10,000 rupees.
My lord.
Affidavit and 10,000 rupees come at 2 o'clock. And he is a lawyer, huh?
My lord.
My lord.
Is there any pressure from that side?
My lord.
No.
They are neighbors, co-villagers.
Okay. 10,000 rupees
My lord.
and affidavit. Bring and come at 2 o'clock.
Develop.
You have to give 10,000 rupees to him. And you give here. Give here. Not that I'll give later on, not like that.
Not develop. They are ready to pay.
Yes, bring 38. I think he is a lawyer. Yes.
Lordship is of Belgium matter.
38. Yes, when you got the bail?
In 2000, by the court below.
Give the date.
Particular date.
He was on bail. NBW issued on?
Issued on 5/8/2021.
5th August. 500. Yes.
40. Bail was granted on 2/5/2022. NBW was issued on 17/1/2023.
NBW?
Issued on 17/1/2023.
Okay, 500.
Oblique.
41.
41 NBW issued against the present petitioner on dated 21/9/2021 and he was on bail dated 26/12/2013.
2013?
Yes, ma'am.
NBW?
NBW 21/9/2020.
Okay.
2020.
42.
Okay.
It's a Belgium matter, my lord. The petitioners were released on bail on 30/6/2016 and the NBW issued on 22/5/2018.
How many of you? 1,000?
Two petitioners.
500 each.
Well,
Yes.
43.
43, my lord, the petitioner was released on bail on 1/12/2018 and NBW issued on 26/9/2022.
22. 500.
Great.
44.
NBW was issued on 17/6/2023 and he was on bail on 26/8/2019.
500.
Published.
45.
May I please the lordship? My lord, Belgium was released, warrant had been issued on 4th April 2023, my lord. And he was released on bail on 13th March 2018.
13th March. 1/3.
13/3/2018.
13 March.
18 रे बेल जाइथिले 4/4/23
500.
46.
May I, lordship? May I please your lordship? In this case, the present accused person has been released on bail on 21/1/2020. But later on, due to the non-appearance non-taking step, the NBW was issued on 9/11/2021, 9/11/2021.
500. Yes.
47 Belgium matter, my lord. The NBW issued 10/1/224 and earlier on bail 11/11/2004.
500.
48
Belgium matter, my lords. NBW was issued on 19/3/2024, my lords. In the year 2015, he was released on bail, my lords, by this honorable court.
Do you have date?
My lords,
Do you have a date?
date has not been there, my lords. APL number I'm having
APL number, give the number.
7912 of 2015, my lords.
Take it over. Read. 500.
49
On behalf of Mr. Sahu, the matter can be taken up next week. He has some personal difficulties.
What is this matter?
It is a CRLMA matter, Your Lordship.
Huh?
CRLMA matter, Your Lordship.
Is there any stay?
No, the condition impose that.
Can be taken up next week. I don't have any other instructions.
Condition modification.
Yes.
Condition.
Notice was issued, it was served on the opposite party number 2, but none appears.
Yes.
How it is?
Not taken up next week, any day.
Okay. You are for petitioner?
Yes.
At the request of petitioner? Adjourned.
50
May it please my lords, my lord, this is that matter, your lordship recall, my lord, last week, my lords, my lord, am I audible, visible to your lordship, my lord?
Yes,
Am
yes.
I audible?
I can.
I'm grateful. My lord,
Yes, I can
this
hear.
is that matter for a modification of a bail condition, my lord, which your lordship very graciously last week had issued notice and kept at a short hearing. My lord, the
Yes.
CBI has filed a counter yesterday. There's nothing in the counter. There's a routine, my lord, opposition that he might flee, etc. Your lordship will recall, my lord, of course, there is till date, my lord, September of 2022 bail was granted. There is not a single whisper, my lord, so far of any.
Where is that condition, by the way? Where is the condition? Which page?
My lord, your lordship will find that, my lord, page 27. Page 27, my lord. Is the condition. Last point. Page 28, actually, your lordship will find page 27 bottom. Let the petitioner Charchit Mishra be released on bail, furnishing bail bond of 1 lakh. Next page, accused petitioner shall surrender his passport before this court at the time of acceptance of bail bond. So passport is lying there. I need to, at short notice, go.
You are agreed by the condition number 1, which you want variation.
That's all. So, and my lord, I had on the last occasion, if your lordship kindly recall, my lord, a Delhi High Court order where I had appeared personally, my lord,
Where
in
is
the
that
matter.
order?
May I, my lord, just, and your lordship will, my lord, see the order is very instructive. Here also, I am, my lord, voluntarily, my lord, saying that let me deposit. There also, there was an FDR of 10 lakhs. So here the bail bond is of 1 lakh. But, my lord, I am happy to give a 10 times, my lord, deposit.
I'll substitute this condition by this condition.
I'm just grateful, very
Yes,
grateful to my lord.
Sir,
Deeply
Mr.
grateful.
Naik, kindly pass over this matter.
What pass over? I'll substitute this condition. Same condition. There is nothing.
Very grateful, my lord.
Significant.
The condition number 1 at page 28 is varied by this condition.
There are 2 conditions, my lord, in it. In that bail order.
But condition number 1 only, the passport has to be released whenever you go
I'm
abroad.
saying, in the Delhi order. In the Delhi order, there are 2 conditions. So 2 maybe both the conditions can be
both the conditions
interspersed here. Both can be interspersed here.
Page 28 to condition C, that is varied by these 2 conditions.
Yes, sir. So both, my lord, I'll be bound by it. Very grateful, deeply grateful to my lord.
51
Modification of conditions imposed by law and trial court, my lord. Your lordship.
Which condition?
My lord.
Page 10, my lord.
Huh?
Page 10, annexure 1, a relevant portion at page 12.
2.
Condition number 3 and 5.
Page, which page you are talking?
Page 12, annexure 1.
12. Yes. Condition number?
Condition number 3 and 5.
Deposit
of already I have complied the order of this honorable court by depositing 3 lakhs. The balance amount of about 10 lakhs, the Law and Trial Court directed to deposit within 7 days. I want some time, my lord, because
That court only would have given you.
that court has not granted, only 7 days time he has given. That's why I have come before the lordship.
How much time you need?
Only
I already where from he get
3 months
bail
time.
conditions.
3 months time.
Only time, my lord.
3 months will be little higher.
Not higher.
But 7
10
days,
lakhs.
3 months.
10 lakhs, my lord.
10 lakhs for you like.
A teacher. His children are reading, got a poor medical poduchi, I got a poor guy,
The petitioner has filed the present petition seeking under section 439 bracket 2 of CRPC, seeking variation of the condition imposed by the court below while enlarging him on bail while it's order dated 5/4/2024. The petitioner is agreed by the condition number 3, whereby the trial court has directed him to deposit the rest of the defrauded amount before the court within a period of within 1 week from the date of his release. And consequently, the petitioner submits that the defrauded amount allegedly the alleged defraud amount is about 10 lakh rupees. 10 lakh rupees. 13 lakhs.
13 lakhs.
10 lakh rupees, which he needs to deposit. He has already been released on bail. However, he seeks an extension of time to deposit the said amount. He seeks Mr. Gauria further seeks further submits that he needs about 3 months to make good the payment. Yes, 3 months, huh?
But in fact, the order, initial order of this honorable court, madam. Order passed this honorable court, madam.
Get the time is time.
Time didn't.
No time.
Time will
3 lakhs time time.
Right now, the petition is allowed. The petitioner is directed to comply the condition number 3 imposed by the court below while granting enlarging him on bail and deposit the amount of 10 lakhs maximum within 10 lakh on or before the expiry of 3 months from today.
Well, since he had not complied, NBW must have been issued against him.
Already issued on 26/4.
Accordingly, in view of the aforementioned direction, the NBW issued against the petitioner on
26/4.
26/4.
Sir, kept in abeyance,
is kept in abeyance for a period of 3 months.
Second condition, condition number 5. 230 kilometers away from its native place to surrender before the when required by the police.
And the condition number 5 is also condition number 5 imposed by the court below for appearing for the petitioner to appear before the IO once every week on Sunday between 10 a.m. to 4 a.m. For a period of 2 months is also altered and the petitioner is directed to appear before the IO as and when the IO require him to appear till the investigation is complete. Isn't it? Till the investigation. With the aforementioned modification, the petition is allowed. Yes. 52. And if you can arrange the money earlier, you can pay in installment.
Yes, yes.
On or before, you can pay in installment. On or before 3 months. The petitioner is also allowed to deposit the amount on installment. However, all the installments should be paid within 3 months.
Obliged.
Yes. 52.
From matter, my lord. No. Modification of the order. Modification order.
Yes.
No.
Nobody appearing, my lord.
What did you pay?
Modification or petition also not supplied.
Hmm?
Modification, my lord, the
Okay, not been supplied.
Was the criminal proceeding pending?
There are 15 matter, madam.
There are 15 matters.
Matter, 2015.
2015.
What's in it?
2024. None appears for the on behalf of the appellant. Dismiss in default further. None appear on the other day also. None appeared on the. None appeared on.
Your Lordship's pardon to mention item 50, Your Lordships. Your Lordships, in that item 50, that Mr.
I'm hearing some other matter.
Oh, I'm sorry.
See, in this matter, write down, on 9/9/2023, 9/12/2023, and 17/3/2023, when the matter was taken up, none appeared for the petitioner. None appeared for the petitioner. It is an appeal or what?
For it.
None appeared for the petitioner. Even the matter, when the matter is taken up today, even today, none appears for the petitioner. The petition is dismissed.
Since the matter of 2015 matter.
Since the matter is up to 2015, none, the petitioner is not present since last 4 hearings. 4 hearings. The petition is dismissed for not.
Your Lordships, Your Lordships.
Yes. Yes,
Your Lordship, item 50, Your Lordship, the host did not allow me at that point of time. I wanted to join the meeting, Your Lordships.
Yes.
It is Churchit Mishra's matter, Your Lordships. Your Lordships, he wanted to travel abroad. But his voice sample petition is pending before this Honorable Court, Your Lordship, since last 3 years. It is not getting listed. Your Lordships,
I'm not on that. I'm only saying that whenever he will go abroad, he will seek permission from the court.
no, Your Lordships, he will go abroad and he will change the voice quality. He cannot seek the permission because his voice sample petition is pending. And there are sophisticated, Your Lordships, operations available in abroad where somebody can change the tonal quality. Voice change kari chali asiba, useta voice sample nahi havani. That is the difficulty. The petition for voice sample is pending before this Honorable Court, Your Lordships. We want to take his voice sample so that it will be compared.
You say that he will undergo operation to change his
go to
voice.
CFSL. Yes, there is a sophisticated operation available, Your Lordships, in Germany. The moment you change your voice, Your Lordships, this voice sample will not be applicable, Your Lordships. Therefore, the petition which is pending should be heard first, Your Lordships, and Your Lordships.
Have you taken that point in your counter?
Yes, I have taken that point. Your Lordship, may kindly see the reply. I have taken that point. Lordship, may kindly see my reply, which is filed.
Yes. Where is that?
Your Lordship has the reply. I have taken that point, Your Lordships. Paragraph 16, Your Lordships. Yes, that further investigation is pending against accused and CRLMC number 2909 of 2022 filed by CBI for seeking permission of the court for taking voice samples of that.
1 minute, Mr. Naik. Where is that counter? Where is the counter? Where is the file counter? Just see. 1 minute. I'm finding out the counter where I will find.
Your Lordship, the entire difficulty is that the entire case is based on voice samples, Your Lordships. They all are talking over phone.
That is the case. I will have to take care of that also. I know.
Yes. Because Your Lordships.
Where is the counter?
And
Your
Lordship,
counter is not there on record.
No, I have filed it. I have filed it, but the registry has not placed it on record, Your Lordships. You must, Lordships, ask the court master. I have filed it.
I don't.
I'll check.
Registry ने लगाया नहीं. And Your Lordships have passed a categorical direction that no further adjournment will be sought and the matter to be listed on a particular date.
Counter filed yesterday. You filed the counter yesterday.
Yes.
Not there on record. Get the counter. I'll see. I'll just see that. Get the count. Okay.
Lordship, I should.
I'll see if it is necessary. I'll list it tomorrow to clarify.
To be mentioned.
To be mentioned. Okay. Get the counter.
Lordship may hear me tomorrow. Lordship may kindly.
Get the counter. Let me see the counter first. Yes.
Lordship may place it at 2 p.m. I'll join. Lordship.
Let me get the counter. Let me see the counter. What ground you have taken. I'll just see the counter. I'll put it tomorrow. If it is
Top of the list to be mentioned.
To be mentioned. Yes.
Okay.
54.
My lord, 54 weeks time to file the removal of the defect. Certified copy of the.
No, there are defects.
Still, anything survives in this matter?
Yes.
Just see first it survives or not. What have you asked in this matter?
My lord, file is somewhere misplaced. So that today.
Was a fair as well as acid. There, my page 10.
Accounts for petitioner takes 1 week time to cure the defects pointed out by the registry. Leave the matter. This side of the case. Yes.
55.
Yes.
Petitioner is an advocate file of this High Court and also in the Supreme Court practicing. The petitioners.
Speak little louder, sir.
My lord.
Or after lunch, I'll take so that you get some. Yes.
Petitioner is an advocate of this High Court and also the Supreme Court, my lord. Dr. Mr. Subhas Mahapatra is a writer also. And he cheated by the father-in-law. And he has lost a affair about 72 lakhs. And they are also.
Your father-in-law has cheated you.
Yes.
What kind of lawyer you are?
This is
you say that you are a lawyer in this court and Supreme Court, and your father-in-law has cheated you.
And this is the bail order, my lord. They have taken after depositing 5 lakhs each.
So what do you want now?
My lord, they have lost 2 affair. Thereafter, my father-in-law has taken my 2 children and my wife, and lost 2 affair, similar affair. There is on 498, 341, 323, 506.
What do you want?
My lord,
of all.
Yes, my lord.
See, there are a lot of interstate dispute between you and your father-in-law and all.
My lord, this
wife also lodged information.
2 affairs are same, my lord.
492 other offenses.
And my lord, in second affair, I am on bail.
It can't be quashed. I'll issue notice if they come, we'll see.
But so far as the first affair is concerned, I may be released on bail, my lord.
No. This is not bail court. Only issue notice.
On surrendering, my lord. Otherwise, in the meantime, I may be protected, my lord.
It's not bail court, sir. I'm just issuing notice because it is a dispute, family dispute. So therefore, we'll try to find out some way out.
At least, my lord, I may be protected, my lord. So far as the first affair is concerned. In the meantime, no coercive action, at least.
Problem is, how are you asking this question? I don't understand. This is a 482. You satisfy me, I'll pass it.
Your lordship,
not a bail court.
Yes, I know.
Don't convert this to a bail court.
One prayer, 2 cases can go.
What is this petition? Outrightly, I should dismiss it.
Page 9.
I've seen it.
Outrightly,
without a second thought, I should have dismissed it. The kind of petition you file. And I'm giving only indulgence because he is an advocate. It's a family dispute. If he comes forward, the husband, the father-in-law comes forward, we'll find out. How can you file a petition passing 2 FIRs in one proceeding? Because the family dispute in one proceeding, everything will be settled.
For same self cause of action, they are alleging same self, particularly on January 21 to on 2 occasions.
Anyway, I have issued. Next.
56. 56.
56 taken up after vacation. Removal of defect.
What is this battery about?
No.
Passing of proceeding.
Talking in short.
Prior to the passing proceedings.
What are the grounds? Protest petition is there and everything is there.
How many defects are there, madam? 3, 6, 20.
That accounts for the petition 6, one with time to cure the defects. One you keep let him cure the defects within a 1 week. Lease the matter. This side of the vacation.
Obligation.
57.
Lordship, item 57, matter relates to income tax. Some defects are there. Lordship may kindly give some time to remove the defect. And in the meantime, the original advocate, the tax advocate, Mr. Jena, his father is seriously ill. So, your Lordship may kindly take it up 2 weeks after.
One time to cure the defects. And he submits that Mr. Jena, the conducting counsel's father is seriously ill. And she seeks the accommodation adjourned. After it is.
Yes.
58.
What defect is there? So Lordship may allow 1 week time to remove the defect. It has been tagged with other 2 cases. Other one that is transfer TRP CRL 10.
You are seeking
Passing of proceeding by GR case number.
but by now the charges might have been framed.
Since my lord,
See, 2022 the charge sheet was filed.
This my lord.
What is the stage?
Sorry.
What is the stage of the trial now?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
I think this is already trial infected.
Instruction I have no instruction whether trial has been commenced or not, but charge sheet has been submitted, but I have no such information that.
Next week, to cure the defect and release.
And the tagged up case was
That
I
is
have
not assigned to your lordship.
Yes. Transfer.
Transfer.
Detag and release before the tag case.
My
Detag and release before the assigned bench.
hello. Yes.
Second one.
Okay, 9. Obliged.
There also a defect to, so kindly allow 1 week time to remove the defect.
What is this matter involved?
Questioning of order.
Which order is this? 22/12/2022.
22.
This order? Cognizance.
Cognizance.
Cognizance was taken. No.
For 419. Taking the name. Telephone to the police officer for 19. In person, that's the FRL listener.
What is, then nothing remains. This present PP He is challenging which order? 22/12/2020.
Once copy देने के बाद खाली cognizance order देसी ना.
No, 22/12/2022.
22.
Let's see the order. Accused is present. PP has already been supplied. PP, and where you see here.
GR number 136023.
How are you agreed? What is the impugn order?
My lord.
What is it? See the impugn order. How are you agreed by this order? See, page 13, 1-3. You are seeking passing of the order dated 22/12/2022, annexure 1. Come to annexure 1. Come to annexure 1. 22/12/2022. Read that out.
Acquisition explain. Since someone proceeded matter, the acquisition explained to him. That is there.
That's right, but what is wrong in it all?
No wrong.
You go and appear before court and explain.
And he also claim not guilty and a claim for trial.
Yes, so then that's what I'm saying. The petitioner has challenged the order dated 22/12/2022, passed by the Court of SCGM Puri in GR case number 136/2020. The impugn order reads as under. The order लिख दो, तो paragraph है, 22/12/2022.
Petitioner paragraph 2 type also read factor. Petitioner paragraph 2 type.
Paragraph 2.
Ethical questions. Page 2, paragraph 2. Impersonation, what extent is naming the name of this judge.
I find no legal infirmity in the aforementioned order, hence not inclined to entertain this petition. Dismissed. Yes.
60.
Item 60, my lord, I prefer after vacation this matter.
Why?
Because it requires length of argument. Length of argument is shall be concluded.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hearing has already taken place.
And matter, it is a PML matter. It is a vigilance matter converted to PML. And Mr. Sodeng, a senior advocate, will argue this matter.
Adjourn.
Yes. It is required to be adjudicated, my lord.
That's right, but 5 dates you have taken.
And some in the meantime, some documents was required.
Where
and we have to close.
Where is your? Have you filed your additional document?
Yes, my lord. And I have not filed, my lord. But I required, I will file it, my lord.
You see, last time you have taken date 21/3/2024.
Yes, my lord, file it, my lord. And a bunch of papers are there, my lord. So you have to prepare
pay costs, they don't
on basis when the senior is
the court's proceeding and order has to be taken seriously.
My lord.
That's the reason the pending is increasing here. You short time on 2/1/2024, thereafter 11/1/2024, thereafter 31/1/2024, thereafter 26/2/2024,
bona fidely,
thereafter 21/3/2024.
I am sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dates.
But I humble pray, my lord. Only in bona fide I am proceeding this case, my lord. And Mr. Sodeng is engaged in this case, my lord. So lordship, I will give the interest.
I'm looking at the lawyer. I'm looking at the petitioner.
My lord.
6 times you have taken time.
Yes, my lord. It's
And when the last time when I pressed, you said that I'll file it.
The lordship may say last times, my lord.
Right, I don't. The petitioner has sought time on first is I'll take some deterrent, otherwise on 2/1/2024, then 11/1/2024, 31/1/2024, 26/2/2024, and lastly on 21/3/2024, the counsel for the petitioner sought time to file additional document to substantiate his case. Next paragraph. However, no additional document will file, and on behalf of the petitioner, further time is sought.
Well, that was.
In the interest of justice, last and final opportunity granted to the petitioner to file the additional document, subject to petitioner paying a cost of 500 rupees to deposit the bar.
The state has no objection, my lord.
State is silently objecting. The silence is the objection.
Sir, again.
Anyway, he will file. Anyway, he'll file.
No, I will deposit my lord, but sir can believe it or not. With the due respect.
But he was confident that you don't have a case. Why should you hold it?
No, I have a case, my lord.
Anyway, give 500.
My lord.
Yes.
61.
May I please, Lord? My lord, in this case, the petitioner is praying for early disposal of 1cc case number 13 of 2021. Pending since, my lord, 2021, my lord, before the SDGM Sonpur.
You are the informant.
Yes, ma'am.
Complaint.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What happened by that this order dated? You want
Early disposal, my lord.
early disposal of your application on
Yes, ma'am.
143.
Yes, ma'am.
That counsel for the petitioner submits that he has filed the complaint against the opposite party under section 138 NI Act on Ikushi Dosa Ikushi.
25-10-21.
Yes?
Yes, my lord. 25-10-21.
No. To advocate for complainant 21-10-2022.
21-10-21 complaint petition.
Complaint was filed. Thereafter, he moved an application under section 143, 143 bracket 3 of NIA.
Yes.
The petition, the application is not disposed of as yet by the court below. Therefore, he has approved this court. The learned court below, which court? The learned court of SDGM Sonpur is accordingly directed to dispose of the application moved by the petitioner under section 143 bracket 3 of NI Act moved by the complainant in criminal ICC case number 13 of 2021. Age expedition is possible, preferably within a period of 15 days. Okay. With that direction. Yes.
62.
My lord, petitioner challenges the order of cognizance dated 25 March 2017, my lord, wherein the cognizance under section 379, 420, 468, 471, 120B IPC has been taken.
Yes.
Matter relates to mining scam of Odisha, my lord. Though the petitioner is not a mine owner or a company holder or director, he has been implicated as an accused person.
Yes, of 2010, my lord. And cognizance taken 2017.
No, kichi hai nahi. So stay, other cases are there, so many cases are pending. In the defect, it has been mentioned that I have been directed to submit other petition copies.
Where are the other?
Yes, number
I'll see. I see the file. Defect so many cases are there.
All the products are assigned to
How many cases?
So many cases are there. Maybe listed along with these matters.
62 and count the
Tag with that. Tag with.
and bail.
Huh?
The bail.
Bail.
482.
482 कौन है bill? Bails are
Bail power.
Leave that.
Only bail.
only bail.
Only bail.
Only bail application. Nothing to do.
But so far for the defect, I have been directed to
Defect
submit,
number?
6B or
6, 7. Two defects are there.
to file the copies. I will file a petition to dispense you with that removal.
But you are essentially saying that no.
I am nowhere involved with the crime.
But you argue all this time. How will I decide all these things at the cognizance stage? You have to go and tell these things before the court. The stage of charge. I'm giving that you learn for the petitioner seeks to withdraw of the present petition to argue all these, all the points available to him, and he urged in this petition before the court below at the time of framing of charges. With this liberty, the petition is dismissed. Yes.
63.
Here, the present petitioner has upheld the order of the learned court below, wherein here it has been rejected for petition under section 12 of the DB Act on the ground that the marriage has not been proved, my lord. Although it's a case in 125 CRPC, my lord, this factum is required, strictly required to be
Issue
proved.
notice matrimonial dispute. Let them come. Mr. Raghunath.
No, madam, 63.
Huh?
Private party.
Private party who
Let's-
matrimonial dispute unnecessary. କିଛି ଯଦି ହେବ settle ହେଇଗଲେ ହେଲା ବେକାର.
I said Barampur case, my lord, see, my lord, sit on the road for years together, and in the meantime, blazed to the child.
They will end nowhere except fighting. Let them come.
Within 2 days, file the
Please notice that I file
Keep it back
tomorrow.
by
Tomorrow. Yes.
64.
In the mediation cell, at least, according to me, in the mediation cell, there should be a separate branch to deal with the matrimonial.
Nowadays, thing has been changed to my lord, both the parties, both the male and female, they are having their ego and all sorts of things, supported with the family members.
Understand that marriage is compromise. Marriage is itself is a compromise. So ego. See, the other day, I spent about 1.5 hours there. They've agreed. Next day, the girl wriggled out. What to do? And 6 years that they have spent at the very initial stage.
But today also, my lord, in the board
And I told
item,
them you will have to fight throughout your life. It will never end.
today also one item 86 is there. Also think past my lord, she has lost the affair. Thereafter married again the child.
So
now
now
she is
we have a larger responsibility to tackle all these issues. Otherwise,
thing has come to that stage now where my lord has to look
Young-
at a
young-
separate angle, my lord, not because of the old that yes, always the boys are
make
gone.
all kind of allegation, weight allegation and file.
Yes, it is coming.
All weight allegation. By tomorrow you file it.
My lord.
64.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, may I place on behalf of Mr. Hon'Ble?
Yes.
Here, my lord, the petitioner is the complainant. Yes, to challenge the order under Annexure 1, my lord, page 14, whereby an application filed by the prosecution to, my lord, mark a document, a certified copy of a registered sale deed that has been denied, saying that it's not a public document, so you cannot mark this. My lord, offense under section 420, 471, 201, 34, my lord. What has happened? My lord, the accused number 1, accused number, the OP number 2, my lord, has executed a registered sale deed in my favor, alienating a portion of land. Now, my lord, thereafter I come to know that he, along with his mother-in-law, he has, my lord, forged another agreement to sell prior to of that land prior to my this registered sale deed, saying that that accused number, the OP number 2 has agreed to sell a portion of my land which has been sold to me in favor of that accused person. So in that connection, my lord, page 14, my lord, the operating portion of the
14.
page 14,
Yes.
paragraph 4.
Yes.
Another petition filed by learned APP is to allow the prosecution to mark the deed of sale agreement and registered sale deed bearing RSD number so and so as exhibits for the ends of justice. On the other hand, the learned counsel for the accused person vehemently objected on the grounds stated therein. Heard both the sides. On perusal of the record, it is found that the prosecution wants to admit in the evidence certified copy of registered sale deed number so and so as exhibit because it is a public document. This contention of the prosecution does not hold
What
good.
do you want now?
My lord, my lord, it is on the settled position of it's not a my lord, public document, but certified copy of a public document is admissible in evidence. Section 77. My lord, no, there are judgments also. So, my lord, not admitting these documents into evidence, my lord, the truth will not be revealed.
You have rendered certificate copy.
Yes. APP has laid that certified copy of that registered sale deed.
Yes.
APP also filed. AP filed.
Yes, AP filed. I am the complainant.
Complaint. No issue notice.
Notice has been issued. Interim order has been none are appearing. My lord. Although they have received the notice, they are not appearing.
What chance they have?
Notice done appeared for opposite party number 2, even after duly served. In the interest of justice, by way of last opportunity given to opposite party number 2, this side of the vacation. This side of the vacation. Certificate copy you have filed.
Yes, ma'am.
That has to be taken out.
APP file.
AP.
See the complaint. Yes.
Interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue.
Obliged.
65.
May I please your lordship, my lord. I am Richard Puri, my lord. The humble petitioner, my lord, being a senior citizen, my lord, also a physical disabled person, died annexure 2. Please make a glance the disabled certificate, my lord. And he had been tortured physically by his own son, who happens to be an advocate of the Barampur bar, my lord. And the son Sudhir Kumar Mishra also lodged FIR against senior citizen father, my lord, died annexure 4. Please make a glance, my lord. Annexure 4, my lord. Against the senior citizen present petitioner father under section 294, 506 and 34 IPC. Please make a glance the very portion that is page 70 of annexure 4, my lord. The humble petitioner being citizen approve the Sonal Court for seeking the quashment of the entire procedure by the annexure 4. The allegation which also
this FIR is registered by your son.
Yes, my lord, by the annexure 4, son was registered FIR against me.
The father also lodged FIR against this son.
Yes, yes. Father also lodged FIR by the annexure 5.
Father also lodged FIR against son. That is also in for 506.
And
how
so
can both the
6
FIR will be disbelieved?
Please make a comment. Annexure 6. Annexure 6 is concerned, my lord. The humble petitioner.
That is not the ground to
Also, approve the sub-collector concerned, my lord, as per the maintenance of welfare and parents of the senior citizenship act, my lord. Right, annexure 6.
Senior citizen कौन कोई नहीं lordship may kindly see page 17.
What are the properties you have?
Property is the real dispute for which I have been divided by my son. That is the real cause. And even if my responsibility, even if at the time of my wife's death, nobody also cooperated. Ultimately, I myself also figurated the dead body of my wife before the Swargodar Puri, my lord.
You both and son go on fighting. Nobody can help. Because this is the situation. Page 17, your lordship may kindly see.
I can see that. 17, na?
Wow, yes. Last, just above the last para. Just above the last para. Work kilo dekho jo. Work kilo dekho.
Food
Page 17. Page 17. Last para, just above last para. ODR जोटा लेखा है ची. तेनो ते प्रोफेसर केस हो जी हमको.
So I pray at least
senior citizen जदि एवढा behave करिए तो कौन होगा?
it is a fact that my lord, my responsibility before
notice जाओ जदि बाप को भीतर समाधान है गला फल कता.
Will you settle? Shall I send you to
my
mediation?
lord, I have been brutally beaten up by my son, my lord. I am staying at Puri now also.
You are also not clean. The problem is you are also fighting with your son. At the age of 78 year old.
78, that is why.
At this age, you are fighting for property.
They are had a response for my taken and care, my lord. But they are wanting property, my lord.
Notice to the opposite party.
Yes.
Issue notice to the opposite party number 3, 4.
See, unnecessarily SP, IAC, why you are making all these parties?
Everybody.
Because my annexure
you have nothing except fighting with people.
And you are dragging other police personnel to indulge in your dispute.
Right now.
That is the way.
Only 4.
Please,
1 minute.
Sorry.
Issue notice to opposite party number 4, returnable within 1 week. 1 week. In the meantime, where is that investigation is on or what?
Investigation?
In the meantime, no course of action against the petitioner. He's 78, 80 year old.
Yes.
Obliged.
Will be taken against the petitioner. And next week I'm listing it. Bring your son. We'll see.
Yes. Requisite
file the requisite by tomorrow.
Yes.
66.
66, my lord. This matter has been compromised, my lord. 498 to 323, 506, my lord. Next week, my lord, both the party will appear.
Settlement. Bring them. Eight. Yes.
67.
Sixty-seven.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କଣ
67 ର କପି ଆମକୁ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି and also defect not removed.
This matter is for 2023.
2023.
Defects pointed out by the registry has not been cured. Copy of the petition is also not supplied to the accounts for the state. By way of last opportunity. NBW cancel na kona
ये कौन आम पाखे नहीं तो टिके देखिए
66 क्या
yes NBW
cancel कर दिया NBW
the prayer of IO is allowed and issue NBW IO prayer NBW है NBW
must be absconding.
Yes that is why this is
right on.
Yes.
On the request of IO, the petitioner appears to be absconding. Absconding and charge sheet was filed.
Yes.
Showing the petitioner as absconder. On the request of IO, the court of SDJM Baleshwar, by order dated 19/4/2018. Have issued the NBW against the petitioner. Petitioner is next follow-up. Petitioner is directed to appear before the court below on or before 30th of May 2024 and seek appropriate remedy availability from under law. Subject to petitioner appearing before the court below on or before 30th of April 2024, the execution of the NBW issued by the court SDJM Baleshwar by order dated 19/4/2018 shall remain kept in evidence.
Yes.
Disposed of.
Yes.
68. None appear for the petitioner.
None appear.
68. 68 na?
67.
It has 67 gola.
68.
Now this is 68.
Yes.
It has 394 IPC absconder NBW 25/1/2019 on the prayer of IO.
On the petitioner, the petitioner is accused in FIR number so and so. After charge sheet was filed against the petitioner, showing him as an absconder. On the request of the IO, NBW has been issued by the which court?
SDJM Baleshwar.
SDJM Baleshwar. By the order dated
order 25/1/2019.
order subject to appeal.
Same.
None appear for the petition.
Yes.
Yes.
69.
69. Yes.
363
FIR resti ହେଇଛି 2020 କେବଳ FIR ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି. In the meantime, charge sheet might have been submitted. Victim is 15 years old, both leading and happy conjugal life. That is why they have filed for perhaps compromise. किसी लेकिन है compromise रे, but they are taken a ground that they are leading their happy conjugal life. But only FIR has been filed in this case.
What are the defects?
Defect as they have not received the three.
The defect pointed out by the registry has not been cured by the petitioner by way of last and final opportunity. 1 week time is granted to cure the defect. Leave the matter. This side.
No.
This side of it.
Yes.
71.
None appeal for the petition.
None appeal for
71.
71. This is a case, like NDPS case, praying for surrender. But he has been granted twice the application before this honorable court on CLMC number 1946 of 2023 and CRLMP number 41452 of 2022. The certificate has neither been given and he has been granted interim bail in BLPN number 628 of 2022, violating that order, not surrender before the court, again file this application.
This is for quashing.
This is for quashing. And in that application is pending and absconded by this honorable court. He has granted interim bail, not surrender before the court and
Non-appeals for the petitioner. Defects are there. Appeals for petitioner. Learned counsel for Mr. Maharaja, learned counsel for the state submits that he had approved this court by filing.
As here by BLAPL number 628 of 2022, in which he has been granted interim bail by the order dated 29/9/2022,
Right.
but thereafter he has not surrendered, and again file one CRLMC number 1946 of 2023, that is flag A. That is flag A. You'll also may kindly see flag
What
A.
happened there?
That is the order 5/5/2023. That has been dismissed. Flag A.
That is dismissed, huh?
Yes. Again, one CRLMP 1452 of 2022.
So 1452
Flag B.
was
Flag B.
also filed, and which was dismissed on 30th August 2022.
No certificate has been given in the application.
No certificate has been given in the present application in regard to the aforementioned proceedings.
Right.
Initiated by him. This matter, in the interest of justice, the matter is finding in agenda 2 for 07.
72.
My lord, 72, your lordship, I am for the informant. Opposite party, I have appeared. So, my lord, may I pray that let them give a copy, let it come next week, my lord. Let them give a copy to.
Mr. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner, entered appearance for opposite party number 2 and submits that he has not received the copy of the petition, and let the counsel for the petitioner supply the furnish the copy of the petition to Mr. Mishra, release the matter.
My lord, your lordship may direct that it may be listed along with CRLMC number 3590/2023.
Release the matter along with the CRLMC
3590/2023.
Yes.
Yes.
Obliged.
73.
My lord, this is a 1cc case. He has filed for quashing of 1cc case, and earlier he has filed one CRLMC number 4588 of 2015. It was dismissed on 8/7/2022 for non-prosecution. Again, this application was filed.
Given declaration.
Yeah, given declaration.
Non-APS for the petitioner, release the matter. This side of the display. Yes.
74.
Item 74, on behalf of Mr. Mahapatra, 1 week time given to removal of the defects.
74.
74.
Send for adjourn kariye.
Defect you have
Removal
not.
of defect within a week, lordship.
Now, in this case, you also may observe ABLPL number 3434 of 2023 has been filed. Again, ABLPL 1164 of 2023 has been filed. No certificate has been given.
1 minute. 74 minutes. Let counsel for the petition seek an adjournment to cure the defects. Mr. Maharaja appears for the state and submits.
ABLPL number 3433 of 2023 has been filed in respect of Nursingha Mahapatra. Again, ABLPL number 3434 of 2023 in respect of another accused. Again, ABLPL number 1164 of 2023 in respect of another accused. All these applications have been rejected in respect of other accused persons. No certificate has been given. Again, this petition has been filed.
This, 1 minute, this petition you are asking for what?
Quashing of FIR 307.
Investigation is still on.
खाली तो FIR टा देचने आउ किस देना थे.
FIR कर दी.
No, Lordship, I am not the counsel for the petition.
But,
I am the proxy counsel requesting on as requested by the Mr.
You
Mahabat.
tell him that he
Lordship.
file the counsel for the petitioner further submit that he would file additional document to substantiate the case.
I will intimate the fact to the
File additional document, otherwise there is nothing.
Lordship. I will intimate to Mr. Mahabat.
Yes, yes.
This is the matter.
75.
75. This is 379, 411, 413, 34 IPC. Quashing of proceeding they have filed, but they have not given certificate ABLPL number 73.
They have not filed anything except FIR.
7376 of 2023. It was rejected on merit, but no certificate has been given.
None appeals for the petitioner. Mr. Maharaja for the state submits that
ABLPL number 7376 of 2023 was rejected on order dated 23/8/2023. No certificate has been given.
but no certificate. Huh? In the interest of justice, please further.
76.
Item 76, my lord, no instruction from the petitioner.
No instruction.
Lords.
420, 294, 506.
For the petitioner seeks to withdraw the
Yes.
petition since he has no instruction. No instruction. Dismiss it.
Withdraw.
Oh, bless.
78.
That's why permitted to withdraw the item 78. Lordship.
Seeks to withdraw the present petition.
Withdraw memo अच्छी से तरह.
Dismiss it. Yes.
79.
In this case, the notification shows the defect number 22 not in revoked.
I will say it a Belgium matter.
Belgium matter.
NBW on 27/6/2023.
Bail.
Bail date not mentioned, but he was on bail. It appears from the order dated.
No. There is Annex 2, just see.
Annex 2. Yes. Yes.
No, only the name of a
1 minute. Rupo, Vishnu,
Sharad
many
Das.
people. 12 jana, 13 jana, 15 jana.
wrongly Dhusha alias Sushasan written typical error.
Many things wrong.
No.
ओहो सेगुडा सब करेक्शन करंतु ताले आसु आउ दिन ये बहुत लोक अछंती बहुत लोक अछंती 15% आर देयर
Bill may be granted, correction may be
correction
file letter.
All these 15 persons have come.
all
Bail,
15%
and they have been granted bail. Huh?
anticipatory bill
Thereafter, they have absconded.
absconded
The present petitioners, Land Council for the petitioner seeks permission to correct the typographical error occurred in the petition. The same is allowed. It is allowed to be corrected during the course of day. Just now, take it. Next, petitioner, all the petitioners, all the 15 petitioners,
15 petitioners
had applied for anticipatory bail.
Yes.
By filing ABPL number 17651 up to 2017.
Yes.
By the order dated 22/11/2017.
Yes.
They were granted anticipatory bail. Subsequently, due to their absence during the trial, the trial court by the order dated 27/6/2023 has issued NBW against all the accused persons. The petitioner is agreed by the said order. On the instruction, the petitioner, counsel for the petitioner submit that the petitioners would appear before the court below on or before 30th of May 2024 and seek remedy as available to them under law. Or taking into consideration the aforementioned statement at the bar, the NBW issued by the Court of Special Court, Kotak, while its order dated 27/6/2023 in in CT case number 172 of 2017. Is the execution of is shall remain remain kept in right.
এটা set aside. এটা set aside করে দিন।
Set aside and set aside. The execution will be set aside, subject to petitioner appearing before the court as directed above, and each of the petitioner paying how much?
200 করে দিন। 15 দুনে 30 3000 দেবে।
5,000.
5,000
petitioner paying
Toto.
5,000
Toto.
in total to the
High Court
bar.
Baras welcome from
5,000 दिए तो
No.
ठीक है।
37. Affidavit is sworn, so both parties present.
I'll take it at 2 o'clock. It is
2
past hour.
2 o'clock. About 2 o'clock.
All right.
Yes.
We don't have this practice of jumping in between and taking over. This practice is stopped.
My lord.
Bosom.
At a meeting, yes, they are the accused. They should have the patience. 80. Yes. 80.
এটা হচ্ছে যে কিন্তু আমক কপি দেনা
1 cc case.
না 1 cc কেস আমক
None appears for the petitioner. केवल petitioner होगा। पूरा petitioner होगा। None appears for the petitioner in the interest of justice urgent to. This will खत्म।
81.
81 Miller. Praying for quashing of the proceeding on the ground of the matter is civil in nature. The fact remain, Miller, the present petitioner and the informant, their brother. By the annexure 2, in the year 2022, they had a family settlement that he has to pay to court something, and the family business, the truck should be transferred in my name. So on basing of that settlement, it was acted. Now, after 1 year, my brother has filed a affair, allegation of 420 and other offences.
You have not implemented your brother.
I'll implement.
You implement.
Today I will implement.
Let it come for the petitioner seeks permission to implement the informant as opposite party number 2. He may do so during the course of the day. Counter assignment. So issue notice to the opposite party. Returnable.
Returnable date may.
Yes.
I have filed a miscase that will be considered on that date.
Yes.
82.
And 21 LRC. I pray LRC both are metrically taken on Fridays. I will appoint certain instruction.
What instruction?
21 LRC urgent.
He was supposed to argue. Why are you arguing?
Both the cases LRC.
He came without preparation. Therefore, I asked.
Friday you will argue LRC. Both the case may taken up on Friday LRC.
Friday.
One person, 2 FIR LRC.
Both the case 21
and 82.
82. Okay, Friday. Okay.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 500 ରହୁଛୁ 26 ରେ ଗୋଟେ କରିଦବ ଛୁଟିଆ ମଟର
pass out 2 o'clock. You send your junior. He's very competent in doing it.
No,
you may go.
He will join in my office only 3 months has been continuing.
Mr.
I will assist Mr. Maharaj.
They'll help.
Oblige.
You are relieved. You can go.
Oblige.
83.
May I please, Lord, sir?
Yes.
On behalf of Mr. Asuda Patnaik, my lord. Now, the petitioner challenges the cognizance order dated 3/5/2023. The allegation under section 363, 366, 376, 507, 4 of the POCSO.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. 84.
84, madam. Here is also a case where she has lodged an affair that she has love relationship. Present petitioner has not accepted the marriage. Thereafter, marriage has been solemnized. Child has been issued. They stayed for a longer period.
On my recent judgment, I can pass it.
Pune dispute. Now there become
that's the whole problem. There in that judgment I have seen. I have written. saying that the secure the life of the victim, we can quash.
Yes.
The life of the victim is also not certain. Every
No,
third day.
now
you-
the marriage has become a mockery, my lord. Marriage has become a mockery. Marriage, child born, stayed for about 2 years. Now, my lord, left. Now, of course, I am trying my best, and there is every possibility.
Bring them, let us. Simply at the request of the judge, adjourn.
After vacation, entry mode to
After
continue.
vacation.
Entry mode to continue.
Entry mode.
Trial ଟା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଗଲା Implement stage action.
The time heals, you know, because they are married. There is a child. See, he is on bail. The time may heal, they may settle. If they don't settle, then
The fate of the child is there. I am ready to pay also. I am ready to pay. I am ready to take some money at least. She is also not coming.
you are also not good. That is the whole difficulty.
I do consider both. But with all respect, both.
Real problem is you.
Yes. Because of the
In
fact
this
I am
case, your lordship also directed the
because
victim
the
to
fact I was
be
male.
present,
Ah.
to be present, and he was present on that day, your lordship.
And because the fact that
There
I am
was
male-
acquaintance before your lordship.
I know.
because the
Very
fact
pathetic. Very pathetic.
Very pathetic.
and because the fact that I am a male, I am not good.
I don't know. I'm not saying that.
Item
But
85.
if you are so good, then why you have discarded your child?
I am ready, my lord. The mother,
You go on that.
the mother-in-law.
You are in love relationship.
Yes.
You persuade your wife and bring her.
I have tried my best.
You have a child.
Because the fact that the mother-in-law is interfering, that's why all these things happen. Sometimes when it happens.
Let us see.
Item 85, my lord, I pray for some times. But I have applied for the certificate copy, but not yet obtained.
You want to cure?
Last occasion, my lord, I had to produce the certificate copy. This is a fake accepted matter.
1, 2, 3, 4 dates.
ଆସିନି ବେଳେ ତଳ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଦାରିଙ୍ଗବାଡି କେସ୍ କହିଛି ଆସିନି ଫେକ୍ ଆସେଟ୍ ଇଏ ଯେହେତୁ ନେଇନି কোনো ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ମାଇ ପ୍ରେୟର ହଉଛି ଯେ ଏଟା ପାସ୍ କରାଯିବ नो କାଷ୍ଟ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ହାଜ ବିନ୍ ଇସ୍ୟୁଡ ଇନ୍
By
ହିଜ
way of last and final opportunity, the
ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ଏକ୍ସେଲ କଲ୍ ଫେରେଇଲେ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ଜଣା ପଡିଯାନ୍ତା
opportunity, the matter is adjourned to enable the petitioner to file additional documents.
ପବ୍ଲିଶ ମାଇ
15.
86.
Right. In this case, the cognizance order is on challenge and notice issued to the opposite party number 2. He sworn an affidavit that
Service complete.
address is absent because of his married elsewhere. For his parental address, in the parental address, notice has been served. Because of may affect the marital status.
Marriage is dissolved.
Marriage over. He married to no, not with the petitioner. He married elsewhere, and he sworn an affidavit that due to a misunderstanding, have lost the affair. On that basis, your lordship granted stay. That is at page 11. My client is present in the court, my lord.
No. He is, this affidavit before the 6 notary public.
Last correct address known, that was there.
Yes, Mr. Raghuda, what to do?
Through IO minor.
Through IO. Opposite party, let the opposite party number 2 be served. Through IO, which IO? IO.
Rasol police station.
Huh?
Rasol police station.
Copy of the petition is supplied to Raghuda during the course of the supply. These demands. This side of the review.
Within vacation, if your lordship.
20th.
Madam.
87.
Check. Offense under NI acted. I am a complainant. So lordship for to be my lord, the complaint is in 3rd stage of cancer. That is why lordship directed the my lord the accused to be appeared. So she has appeared, but time is I have filed the petition to advance case record on the last occasion in my absence on the page mention long date he jaitila 26/6/24 ki achi. So but he's in dying stage. So at least
You have moved the application for preponing.
preponement.
Okay. You might not have appeared that day.
My lord.
You might not have appeared, therefore it is.
No, my lord, page mention बेले मु ताक कहली जे it was fixed. मते से कहले जे मु टिके आर सप्ताह को टाइम
Where is he? Where is the opposite?
Yes, my lord, he is not. But in my
Who
absence,
is appearing?
my lord, the complainant, जो accused name is there.
Who is
Basant
appearing?
Basant Kumar Das.
You bring him after lunch.
After the second.
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है.
I'm passing to.
Ag-
Bring him.
ag-
Bring him.
Ag-
My lords, 8-9.
Hmm?
My prayer next week, my lord.
You have not cured any defect.
My lords, defect
By-
ignored, my lord.
Defects pointed out by the.
My lords, one defect is affidavit page.
6, 14B, 19, there are many defects.
My lord, one of the defect is that the notary has not signed one page.
I don't know. You cure the
That
defect.
set up.
Cure the defect.
That may be ignored, my lord.
No, the right is not correct. Let counsel for the petitioner seeks one final opportunity for during the defect. He may do so within about 1 week, leave the matter.
ଏଇ ଯେ 94 ଟା ମୁଁ ଅଲରେଡି ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଇଛି ନୋଟିସ କରିବା ପାଇଁ
94,
ହଁ
94.
ଖାଲି
What
ଫାଇଲ
after lunch ପଢିବ?
ନୋଟିସ ହଁ
I'll take it up.
After lunch put.
That is mentioned in para 5.
Yes, Mr. Gada, have you seen?
Madam. Yes.
Right on. At the instance of opposite party number 2, FIR number so and so came to be registered against the petitioner. Investigation is still on, na?
Still on.
The investigation under section so and so, huh? Investigation in the case is still on. The opposite party number 2, notice was issued. Notice.
No, madam. So much.
Appeared.
So much.
Right.
True advocate.
Opposite party number 2, who is a practicing advocate. Where? Practicing advocate where?
Notice site.
In High Court.
Again.
Who is a practicing advocate has appeared in person on advance notice. On advance notice and being represented by his counsel as well. Right on. Right on. The accused, the petitioners are also appearing in person, being represented by their counsel and identified by them. Both the petitioners and the petitioners and opposite party number 2 have filed their self-edited copies of the Aadhaar card to establish their identity, which are taken on record. And while the matter was being investigated by the police, the petitioner at this stage have petitioners at this stage have entered into a settlement with the opposite party number 2. On the basis of the said settlement, the petitioners are seeking indemnity of this court for passing of the proceeding. Right on. The petitioners and the opposite party number 2, oblique the informant, oblique the victim, have filed a joint affidavit dated today, so interiorly asserting that they are neighbors and due to they are neighbors and on the intervention of the elders and well-wishers, they have settled their dispute, and opposite party number 2 is not interested to proceed against the petition, proceed against the petitioner. The affidavit is taken on record. Mr. Ragada appears for his state and submits that since the parties have settled their dispute, dispute and dispute. The parties are dispute, and the opposite party number 2 is a practicing lawyer for this court. This court, there is no legal impediment to question the FIR. However, cost should be imposed on the agreed person. Agreed persons. Agreed person. Right now. Taking into consideration the fact that the parties have certified issue that filed the affidavit in the court. This court, this court, and also taking into consideration the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in Dancing Zone. So I am of the considered view that subjecting the petitioner to trial would be futile exercise. Therefore, the FIR was subject to condition that the petitioner shall pay rupees 10,000 as a cost to the informant from the victim. 10,000 you have paid.
I have received.
Received?
Yes, received, ma'am.
Okay. Was okay. Next.
Advocate means my lord, newly my lord.
Huh?
Newly.
Another password, madam. 26.
26. We sought adjournment.
21.
26 also.
The item number 103.
No, not. I'm not taking mentioning. I'll take all matters. We have reached. Huh? That is 26. At the request of counsel for the petitioner. Adjourn. Yes.
87.
97.
87.
87.
I informed the accused my counsel. Yes. I had my prayer, simple prayer, the petitioner was the complainant in check bounce case in the court below. So it is.
Not the notice is correct against us.
Forget about that. See, he is a cancer patient.
Cancer, very bad.
So,
hard stage.
What is the stage up for the trial?
In first case, is that on the stage of active statement, that is flag end of the trial.
First case means?
Two cases are there.
Two complaint case, my lord.
What? 87, 88?
Yes. 87, 88.
The first case is flag end of trial, the active statement is
You are the accused.
Miller.
What is the check amount?
Miller.
Check amount?
80 lakhs, 7 lakhs.
My प्रथम टा 8 लाख, second टा 7 लाख.
Why don't you pay and finish it up?
हाँ, मैं setting हो गया 143
Unnecessary, he is going to die at least peacefully.
Yes,
Offer मुझे टा
paid out, then I will pay Miller all the amount.
What made out? You have issued the check.
On merit, I am not going Miller because.
But have you issued the check or not?
Because Miller, he had only paid to pray for early disposal of the case.
That's right. What I am telling you is, why don't you settle the dispute? Forget about the trial and all.
The case is totally false, Miller.
You have issued the check. What false?
So other purpose case false, but this paisa nahi hai.
No, my state says सब
Anyway, I know 6 months. Why you think?
नहीं, हम सेटा को नहीं. ये जो interim compensation टा
143A.
143A.
I know.
किसे दियो तो से?
Supreme Court आया पहले
that you move the application there. You have to move application there in that court. I can't allow that.
Yes,
Right on. The in both the cases, dates are same or different. 87, 88.
88. Complaint is
petitioner.
Accused person are different.
Present case.
Husband, both the case, husband and
Olga. 87. First 87. Petitioner. In the case is the petitioner in the present case is the complainant. In the ICC case number so ICC case number 405/2008. 2018. Under section 138 NI Act, NI Act. The opposite party is the accused in the present case. The counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is suffering from
cancer.
Cancer. cancer. Therefore, he pray before he seeks and expeditious disposal of his case before by the trial court. He further submits that he would move application under section 143 capital A of NI Act before the court below for interim compensation. Taking into consideration the fact that the ICC case was registered on very date 17/12/2018. And the fact that the complainant is suffering from cancer, I direct the court of JMFC Soro to expeditiously conduct the conclude the trial of the case in ICC case number 405 of 2018. Okay. Preferably within a period of 2 months hence. Okay. Next से change कर दो थोड़ा तो लिख दीजिए change कर दो. ठीक है. Yes.
Interim application be considered.
That is considered
in accordance with law.
Obviously,
That's
on its own merit.
But sorry ଯାଇକି ତାଙ୍କର statements କୁ ସରିଗଲେ but accused cooperate କରୁନଥିଲେ.
accident ହେଇ ପଡିଥିଲେ 2 ମାସ ତଥାପି accused statement ସରିଗଲେ.
1 month.
I have given 2 months. Conclude करो. छुट्टी अछि ना आगु. Yes.
But both
88 disposal.
87,
87, 80. 89.
89 margin. 90 also mentioned.
Yes.
91.
Late Peace Lordship. The present application is filed for extension of time granted in earlier application of IA number 604. Wherein it was directed with the payment to be done by 15th April. Due to some financial hardship, the petitioner could not do so last
much
time. 2 weeks time.
You have been taking time again and again.
So last chance, my lords.
By the order dated 22/4/24, the petitioner was granted time up till 15/4/2024 to 24 to comply deposit 20% of the check amount. Check amount that is 50,000.
70,000.
That is 70,000. That is 70,000. By way of the present application, he seeks extension of time for 2 weeks.
Yes.
2 weeks. The application is allowed. Further 2 weeks time is granted to the petitioner to deposit the 20% of the check amount, that is 70,000 rupees. 7,000 rupees. 2 weeks will give on or before. Petitioner is directed to deposit on the said amount on or before 2 weeks will 14th, 15th, on or before 15th May.
Deeply obliged.
Allowed. Next.
92.
My lord, I am in VC. Your lordship may kindly permit me.
Yes.
My lord, may kindly see.
For the informant, let them serve a copy on us.
Yes, copy has been served, my lord. Copy
No,
has
my
been
lord, copy has
served
not
on
been served.
26/4. I have got the receipt, my lord.
He
My
says
lord, this is the receipt, my lord.
Informant. I am asking for the informant.
Informant is asking for a
Yes.
copy.
Yes, informant has been served copy on Miss Jena on 26/4/24, my lord.
We have not.
A false submission is not.
We have not received.
My lord, I have got the receipt,
He
my lord.
says that you received. I will adjudicate that.
No, my lord.
Whether you received or he says yes, he said
This
no.
is the receipt, my lord. This is the signature of Miss Jena.
He is showing the signature.
Let it pass over.
Let it be one password.
Pass over ଥାଉ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ.
Obliged.
My lord, it can be disposed of. Your lordship may kindly see one thing. I don't think informant will
I am
be.
just passing it over. Let them come.
Just ଖାଲି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ.
I can dispose it up. No problem.
Item 46 urgency ଥିଲା ଟିକେ ତାକୁ urgent ହେଇଗଲା.
See, second passover also you don't come. I can't wait. Nobody was there. I can't help it. You ask for passover. So much accommodation one can't give.
What password thereafter law.
Then the 2 o'clock I take it up. I don't know. Everybody is coming. I don't know how much accommodation I can give. 3 matters you had asked for passover. You mentioned in between, then also I entertained. You can't take, court so.
Was telling that I was there in.
Whatever I don't know. I don't know. Let it be urgent. I don't know. Yes. Yes, sir. Don't convert this to a fish market. Please. This is the High Court, of course. Anybody can't back up this matter. What is this? At least maintain some decorum of the High Court. You ask for passover in 3 matters. In between, I entertain your matter. And still, after passover, nobody comes.
I apologize. Short date.
He will give the date. I can't check the diary. He'll see the diary and give it.
93.
My lord, in this petition, the petitioner approached this Hon'Ble Court for modification of order.
Yes.
Dated 16 to 2024, and as per the order of this Hon'Ble Court, the petitioner have already submitted the fine amount of cash of rupees 5,500 before Orissa State
What
Bar
do you
Council.
want exactly?
Modification of order.
Modification of what? Extension of time
My lord.
for surrendering.
Also.
You tell that. You are supposed to appear before the court below on 7th of March.
My lord.
Now already extended. We are in April.
My
How much
lord,
time you want?
unfortunately, due to long
How much
illness,
time you want?
10 to 15 days.
15, on or before 15. Time is extended for the petitioner to surrender before the court below and seek remedy. Surrender before the court below on or before 15th of May 2024 and seek appropriate remedy available to him under law.
List.
Yes.
94.
May I please, my lord? My lord, I have filed the notice applied to the opposite party, but due to some one of my in-laws expired, I have gone to my in-laws house.
See,
So-
you have an interim order. What happened?
Continue, please. Interim order continues, please.
My lord,
Requisite file? When?
my
Yes,
lord,
I filed.
today, yesterday night by listing, I have got instruction to appear before this Hon'Ble Court today, my lord. I am for the complainant.
Opposite
my lord.
party.
Yes, my lord.
Right. So and so enters appearance for opposite party number 2. Opposite party number 2 and seeks an adjournment for filing response. Opposite party number 2 and 3. 3 and
Only
4.
I have not been solved with copy. I don't know
And-
what is the number of my serial.
Let me
You want copy?
petitioner undertakes to serve the copy of the petition of the counsel for the opposite party. During the course of day, you should supply the copy.
Yes, yes.
Please the matter.
I have also filed a order copy.
What do you want?
Today I have also filed a order copy. The similar type of 1cc case
He
filed.
wants to file response.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
My lord, the what I pray, my lord, the order which was passed earlier, my lord, to file the requisite within 7 weeks, 7 days.
Now
Yes, my lord.
you are already appearing.
My lord, I am appearing.
Without filing
My lord,
requisite.
what I say, my lord, the interim order that has no, that has to be.
That will continue. If you would not have appeared, then I would have thought requisites or some cost or something. You are appearing, it's all right now.
My
Short date he'll give. This side of the vacation we'll see.
obligation.
Yes.
95.
I'm getting.
My lord, I have appeared for here the private opposite party.
Notice has been issued.
My lord, I have appeared. I will assist your lordship. Let petitioner complete. I will assist your lordship. How a
You are
false
for-
statement has.
You are for whom?
My lord, I am for the complainant. Opposite party number 2.
2. Okay. Yes.
My lord, in this case, the notice, my lord has placed to issue notice to opposite party number 2. The fact remains that this Royal Trial Court, SDM Balasar, without hearing this defense as well as the argument, posted the case to judgment on 3rd April and fixing 23rd for judgment. So in that, challenging that, assailing that order, I have approached my lord. And my lord has placed to issue notice to the opposite party number 2 And my responsible submission will be that I may be allowed opportunity to give my defense as well as my argument, because I am the accused in this case. The facts, I am the petitioner in this case, but in the 138 proceeding, I am the accused. I have been pleaded as the accused. The fact remains that taking advantage of the blank check that has been given to this opposite party.
I am not on merit.
No, my
What exactly you want in this case? What is your prayer?
That the date fixing for judgment may be deferred, and in the meantime, I may be given opportunity to give my defense as well as to argue.
No, the order, you are seeking modification of the order dated 3/4/2024.
Mine.
Where is that 3/4/2024?
Mine.
Yes. By this order, what was the 3/4?
Third April. And 3rd April, this case was posted. It was fixed. And on that day, the SCM called the accused who has petitioner who has given time petition.
Now it is fixed for judgment.
Now it is fixed for judgment. Without my defense and without my argument.
The court records that several opportunities have been given for argument.
That is the court observation. But my submission will be that I have not given my defense. So yet the date of judgment will
show me the proceeding from.
My lord, I am providing the entire order sheet. My junior is there. He will hand over. 10 opportunity was given to him. I am giving the entire order sheet.
Given, you have not done what can be done.
10 opportunities were given. My lord, may kindly see from order dated 7/4/2022.
Proceedings, entire proceeding.
Entire proceeding I have given.
Can I keep it tomorrow?
My submission will be that the last class I may be given opportunity, and
see, these are try to understand. These are the 138 NI cases. The statute says that within 6 months it has to be over. You are the accused. If 10 opportunity have already been given to you, you have not availed those opportunities. Trial court is correct closing the evidence. What to do?
Because the accused is a lady.
My lord, if a lady is there, will it the law change? Law will change for a lady.
1 minute. 1 minute. Why are you giving commentary? 1 minute, and just let me understand.
My lord, will kindly say order dated 7/4/22.
Do you have the entire proceeding, sir? No. With you? No. Give a copy of the entire proceeding. You read it. Come tomorrow. Come tomorrow. I'm putting it tomorrow. Right. Give the entire copy to him. Yes, please see whether a sufficient opportunity is given. I'm not going to entertain your petition.
My lord, he has got here. My lord, may kindly hear me for a moment.
1 minute. I'm keeping it tomorrow. He will just go through. He doesn't have the copy of the proceeding.
My lord, he has the copy. He is suppressing that. Your lordship may kindly see the entire order sheet. Kindly see, my lord. My lord,
1 minute. 1 minute. Let him see. He is a very senior counsel. Let him have the satisfaction of seeing the proceeding.
My lord, may kindly see one thing.
I am putting it tomorrow. Why kindly? I am not so kind.
My lord, he has suppressed the fact that the court was posted for judgment.
I am putting it tomorrow, Mr. Bose. Let him see, and I'll hear you tomorrow. You may be correct also. Let me. Do you have any problem tomorrow? Can it put it for day after? Tomorrow.
No, my lord. Tomorrow.
Just check it up. Give a pura entire set. Huh? Yes.
Miss Diana is here. Mr. Bose is kindly cooperate.
To which matter?
It is just pass over.
Just pass over. I'll take it up. Yes. Yes.
92.
Huh? No, continue.
96.
May I please, lordships? My lords, I have filed this 482 application, my lords. Quashing up the 2cc case floated against me by the ESI Corporation, my lords, for non-payment of dues, my lords. The fact of the case like this, my lords, the petitioner, she was having a small book joint, my lords, which has closed since 2008, my lords.
Book joint?
Foot joint, my lords.
Foot joint.
Yes, my lords. So which has closed 2008, my lords. So this period from 2011 onwards, my lords. So here what happened, my lords? The notice was issued. Your lordship may kindly come to page 20, my lords, running page 20.
Notice was already issued, huh?
Yes. The first notice was issued. That was duly received. Next page, my lords. 21 and 22.
Where are you reading?
This is running page 20, my lords. 20.
20.
Yes, my lord. 21, 22, I have received.
1. 21. Yes.
Yes, my lords. Then, my lord, the important page next.
This is the
That I have duly received, my lords.
insurance
Yes,
corporation.
yes, I got this. Then, my lords, your lordship kindly come to page 23, my lords.
These are for personal hearing.
Yes, my lord.
This is for personal hearing. Notices were given to you for personal hearing.
Yeah, personal hearing.
Okay.
And the verification of document, my
Yes, you received it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
23, my lords. Your lordship may kindly have a glance. Wherein the said so cause notice, the second paragraph, my lords. Wherein the said so cause notice, the employer was given an opportunity to represent the case in person or through an authorized representative at the time of personal hearing on 14/12/11, 10:30 a.m. with necessary documents to explain his case, my lords. Then, my lords, I filed a petition asking for 2 months' time, my lords. The next paragraph, where the employer hide his letter dated nil.
Where are you reading?
The third paragraph, my lords. Page 23, third paragraph.
Yes.
Where the employer was given, third paragraph, where the employer hide his letter dated nil, requested to give 2 months' time for producing the record, my lords. Thereafter, I was told the date will be communicated to you, my lords. Thereafter, all of a sudden, my lord, 2019, my lords. That is, my lords. I received the notice from, received the summon, my lords, from the concerned SDGM Cuttack, my lords. That, your lordship, that starts annexure 2, page 25, my lords.
Yes.
The relevant page is, my lords, that is, my lord, relevant page, that page 30, my lords. The order dated 24/6/2019, my lords. Page, running page 30, my lords.
24/6/19.
Yes, my lords. I received the summon on 24/6, my lords.
Yes, you filed the wakalat now.
Yes, my lords. So there only I could know, I came to know that there is an ex parte order against me, my lords. The basing on this ex parte order, my lords, this complaint was floated against me, my lords. So there recourses are available for appeal, my lord, to challenge that ex parte order.
Appeal against the order of 45.
45. That is concerned ESI code, EI code, my lords. So thereafter, immediately, page annexure 4, page 33, my lords.
You filed an appeal.
No, I filed an application for issuance of order.
Supply of copy.
Supply of the certificate. That was also not supplied till today, my lords. So, my lords, my only prayer, basically, this is the ex parte order, my lords, and this complaint gets floated on the basis of ex parte order, my lords.
You want to file an appeal and
I want to file an appeal, my lords. And the certified copy of the order may be supplied to me as possible.
My lord, as per regulation 31, the petitioner is required to deposit the contribution within 21 days of each.
I'm not on merit.
My lord.
He's saying something else. That the 45, this thing was passed ex parte.
Not ex parte, he has not
he sought for
participated.
5 for 2 months. And
the time was allowed.
But it was not communicated, he has not filed, somehow it is an ex parte. He wants to file an appeal.
The petitioner may file appeal, there is no problem. But cognizance was taken for non-payment of contribution, and petitioner till now did not file the appeal, not appeal the dispute before the concerned EI court. and even petitioner did not cooperate with the Lord and Court below for trial of this 2cc case.
He has already entered appeal
Appearance
and filed 205.
and due to order of this honorable court, the trial is yet to commence.
What happened to the 205 applications?
That was allowed.
That was allowed, man. That was duly allowed, man.
And why don't you supply the certificate copy of the order dated 6/8/2012?
That is separate matter. I cannot. I have to take instruction on that point. Whether
You give the certificate copy, he will file appeal.
my lord, that he can
I'll dispose it up.
my lord.
I'll dispose it up, saying that 205 is allowed. He'll participate there.
My lord, my lord,
Supply
my
the
lord,
copy,
my lord, my lord.
isn't it?
My lord, basically, this is the ex parte order, my lords. Suppose I would have participated, my lord, things would have been different. So now, my lord, I have to fight out two litigation, my lord. There is appeal, again, this is a criminal case, my lord.
But you have not deposited the contribution.
Yes,
That's
my
mandatory.
Once I'll go to EI court, I have to deposit it. When I'll go for appeal, I have to deposit that 75% of the awarded amount, my lord. Yet I have not prepared an appeal because certified copy was never supplied to me, my lords. That is my predicament, my lords.
Once you file an appeal there, you have to deposit.
Yes, my lords. Yes, my lords.
That is not the
He is ready to.
in the guise of 75 section 75 application, petitioner tried to avoid the trial of non-payment of contribution.
I know that.
My lord may say petitioner may file dispute before the concerned court and 2cc case cooperate in 2cc case.
This is a double taxation, my lord.
Corporate 205 is allowed.
My
You
lord,
will participate.
my lord, my lord.
My lord, once I'll participate in the complaint case, my lords, there I'll file appeal, my lords. So because these complaint case basing on the judgment, I have not made the payment.
You make necessary application that liberty I am giving before the trial court
Yes.
to hold the hands till the appeal is decided. He will not proceed. The trial court will not proceed in the matter till the appeal is decided. You move the application before trial court will decide.
Well, same thing, man. As long as the matter is pending
Trial
here,
court
my
will
lord,
decide.
he cannot proceed.
I don't know. He trial court may allow also.
Well, these 2cc case has to go, my lords.
You are challenging 2cc courts.
Yes, my lord.
I can't go.
Your lordship,
How can it go? You tell me.
your lordship may kindly have a glance. There is a
Merely because you are contemplating to file an appeal, therefore it will go. How can it be possible?
Yes, ma'am. Let me clarify this issue.
Yes.
I am contemplating not because I have never participated. The notice was never served on me.
But whatever wrong or right, that order stays on the face of record.
Yes, ma'am.
On that basis, they can very well initiate the complaint. They have initiated the complaint.
Supposing they will initiate.
But you knew the fact that there is an order.
Yes,
in 2012.
It came to my lord 2019 only, ma'am.
19
When I
to
received the
24, why have you not filed?
I have filed for the certified copy. They have not supplied it, my lords. Without the certified copy, I can't file it.
You
ma'am.
can file with exemption. Well, who stops you?
Unless,
In
ma'am.
in today's days, you can't take the plea that certified copy.
Yes, ma'am. That is the procedure, my lord. In the EI court, I have to deposit the amount. That is a precondition, my lords.
But you could have filed an application for exemption for certified copy, narrating all these facts. Copy is not supplied. You could have done it. You didn't do it.
Only complete assessment with me, my lords. Because that is to be
That
reflected.
certified copy is
lordship-
asking them to give supply the certificate.
Your
Right
lordship
off.
may kindly have a glance. Our own High Court decision, my lord. I have also given that, my lord. In the similar case, my lord, it was remitted.
Where is that?
That is, my lord, I have supplied on 10th July 2023, my lords. That is the file, my lords.
My lord, in that case,
Do you have the copy of that?
Yes,
my lord, in that case, the order was passed before issuance of notice. But in this case, after
I know issues. I understand. Now notice was issued. You went, participated, asked for 2 months time. Thereafter 2 months time was granted. You did not appear. Ex parte order was passed.
Date was not given to me. Because they are the system that once you'll make a
petitioner received
Therefore, I'll have to balance everything and just pass me. Right now.
The lordship may kindly have a glance
Petitioner
this
is seeking,
judgment, my lords.
quashing up the in this petition is seeking quashing up 2cc case number, the entire proceeding arising out of 2cc case number 676 of 2012. pending before the court of SDJM Sadar, Cuttack. Cuttack. Next program. Mr. Tripathi, learned counsel for the petitioner, contended that he has where is that I quote 1 minute. Where is that notice which you have shown me? Page 20. Contended that his client received the notice dated 19/1/2012, issued by the competent authority under section 45 capital A of ESI Act. Pursuant to the same notice, the petitioner participated in the proceeding, dated participated in the proceeding
15th February, my lord.
on 15th February
2012, my lord.
2012, and sought 2 months time to file the
No, my lord, that is not correct. On 14/12, the petitioner sought for time, and on 15/2, the petitioner did not appear before the concerned authority.
Your lordship, kindly have a glance what my lord friend is saying.
To the aforementioned notice, petitioner appeared before the competent authority, and on 14/12/2011 sought 2 months time for the purpose of filing a response on the basis of the record available to him. It is contended by Mr. Tripathi that although the time was granted, no date was intimated to his client. Eventually, on 6/8/2012, the competent authority, the deputy director, REV number 2, passed an order, inter alia, observing agent. Again, it is page 24. In view of above, next paragraph, B paragraph, 45(1) soon. This order, the aforementioned order was never communicated to the petitioner, and petitioner never communicated to petitioner. On the strength of the aforementioned order, 2 CC case number 676 of 2012 was initiated against the petitioner. When the petitioner received the notice of the said 2 CC case,
on 24/6/19, my lord.
Entered appearance on
24/6/19.
24/6/2019 and filed the Vokalatnam. Entered appearance through counsel. At that point in time, he came to know regarding the order dated. What is that order? Earlier order dated
6/3/2012.
Thereafter, the petitioner moved an application before the Deputy Director Revenue 2, inter alia, praying for the certified copy of the final order dated 6/8/2012 and the other documents. It is Mr. Tripathi submits that the said request dated 88/11/2019 it is still pending, and the certified copy of the order dated 6/8/2012 has not yet been supplied to him. Once the once he received the certified copy of the order dated 6/8/2012, he can resort to he can file appeal against the order, appeal against the said order under section
75 of the
75
ESI Act.
ESI.
ESI. Mr. Tripathi submits that till the appeal is decided on its merits, the 2cc case initiated against his client should not proceed. What is your good name, sir?
Amarendra Prasad Rai, AP Rai.
Mr. AP Rai, appealing for the opposite party, submits that the appeal proceeding under section 75 of ESI Act is an independent proceeding.
My lord.
Independent proceeding, and it has nothing to do with the prosecution launched against the petitioner. He further submits that through 2cc case number 676 of 2012, the petitioners are subjected to prosecution for having failed to deposit their part of the contribution.
My lord.
Provident fund contribution.
ESI contribution in time.
ESI contribution. This being a independent proceeding, completely separated from the adjudication proceeding. The same can independently go on. Independently go on. At this stage, Mr. Tripathi submits that having taking into consideration the aforementioned submission made by the parties, I am of the considered view that the grievances raised by the petitioner before this court could be ventilated before the court of which court? Before the
Employees Insurance Court.
Before the court of SDJM Sadar Cuttack in 2cc case number 676 of 2012 by moving appropriate application. If such application is moved, the same shall be considered on its own merit. Insofar as the request of the petitioner regarding the supply of the certified copy of certified copy of order dated 6/8/2012 is concerned. Mr. Rai at the outset submits that the same shall be supplied to him within 15 days from today.
My lord.
15 days from today.
If not supplied,
if not supplied, in the event the certified copy of the order dated 6/8/2012 is supplied to the petitioner, petitioner is at liberty to file appeal under section 75 of ESI within 1 month. Within 1 month from the date of receipt of the certificate. With this observation, the petition.
May I suggest one thing, my lords, subject to your lordship approval. But the unit is closed since 2008, my lords. The elderly lady, the husband also expired, my lords. So during this process, my lords, if they'll approach the authority, supposing any amount they can ready to give, that can be settled also, my lords. But this is a futile exercise, my lords.
You can persuade them.
Yes. Only that. Only.
You can persuade.
No.
Because these
Petitioner.
are statutory dues. How can
Yes,
my lord.
But that is beyond 2008, my lords. 2008, my
So I can't
established
go
course.
into all these things. These
No,
are statutory due. You can persuade them.
And as per the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court, even dues are payable in respect of closed unit.
That's there. There are very dicey situations. No order can be passed.
Only one.
It's not an interested dispute. It is statutory dues you have to
My
pay.
lord.
If they want to help also, they can't do it.
Yes, but that can be done, my lord.
Move the application. If they don't do, then resort to writ petitions.
Order is not required. Petitioner is free.
Just one observation. During this exercise period, we will approach them and that will be considered. This much.
Mr. Tripathi further submits that he would approach the concerned authority for settling the dispute.
Yes, ma'am. Hon'Ble.
98.
Yeah, great, my lord. Item 98, my lords. There is for passing of the proceedings on the grounds of compromise. This case was earlier before your lordships along with CLMC 617 of 2023. My lords was pleased to quash the proceedings in respect of cell MC 617 of 23. This is the order, my lord. This is the counter case. On that day, lordships,
Being paid with non-proof and maybe decided by this court is
Lord, arising out of the same dispute, two affairs were lost. So finally, parties were come to the conclusion for compromise and filed joint affidavit. And approached this honorable court in two different cases.
Let us see. In this case, who are the parties? In this case, Rangadhara Bhoi,
my lords.
Hare Krishna Bhoi, and Sunil Das.
Sunil Das.
Gayatri Pradhan. And in this case, some Ravindra Pradhan.
Both the case matter come to before your lordship on the last occasion.
Case and counter
Since
case.
this matter are not assigned by that time.
That's right, but who are the parties here? Where are they?
They are not.
They had, my lord, come on that day. Lordships.
How they are not party in this case?
They were the informant, my lord. So in that case,
Ravindra Pradhan, Chinmay Kumar Pradhan, Jayant Pradhan. None of them are party.
They were.
Why they have come here? Just see cause list of both the cause title of both the cases. Ranganath was the opposite party there in that case. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Where are the accused?
Accused, my lord, on that day, both parties.
Who is Hare Krishna Bhoi?
He case are accused.
In this case, he is the accused.
Where is he? Sunil Das, where is he? Another accused. Who is the informant in this case? That is Jayanti Pradhan, where is he?
No, my lord, my respectful submission is that on that day, my lords, both.
You bring them tomorrow. Bring them tomorrow.
No, tomorrow, my lords.
Day after.
Day after. Day after.
Day after. Bring them to. Day after we will prove.
My lord. My lord.
The parties are different. There are few of them are common, but few of them are different.
Yes.
Bring them.
Another joint affidavit also will.
You file a joint affidavit.
Yes, my lord. I have
filed,
my lord, on that.
You bring them day after.
My lord.
Tomorrow at 2 o'clock.
Tomorrow, my lord. Day after.
Assignment
Assignment.
analogous matter was listed, but 2023 lordships assignment was there.
I have written there. I
Yes,
know that, but the parties has to be here. We don't know within these 3 days what happened. Bring them day after, huh?
My lord.
Okay.
99.
This is a very unfortunate case. The son has lodged a complaint case against the 82 years mother, my lord, and the cognizance was taken.
You are the mother.
No, I am for yes, I am for the mother, my lord. The order annexure 6, page 40.
What is the allegation?
The allegation is that a house was purchased by the father of the accused, allotted by the Raulkela steel plant, and after the death of the father, the mother was recorded the land in her favor.
At the age of 82 also you are fighting.
No, I am not fighting. Your lordship, I am not fighting. Only the your lordship kindly see. I'm just she has filed.
If you notice.
No, all notice was issued. A civil suit was filed for the self-same property. Where
is he?
Hello?
Opposite party council.
Opposite party council is there. Well, I don't know.
Call him. Who is appearing for SS Mahapatra? Who is appearing for opposite party?
Devasmita Devadarshini, Janaki Kanta Mahapatra.
Janaki Kanta Mahapatra.
I'm passing it over. Call him. 82-year-old lady and
he has already taken his share by the annexure 1.
Whatever, I don't know. I don't want to go into the merits of the case. I am giving intelligence because your client is 82 years old and mother of the opposite party number.
Accused man. And otherwise,
bring the other side. I'm passing it over. Call. Go outside and call.
Item 100.
100.
Passing of the proceedings since the matter between them have already been settled down. They, there was a mutual divorce on mutual consent. Right now she is married and blessed with a daughter for last 4 days back. That's what my information.
How did it transfer?
The informant.
Informant.
Married somewhere else.
My lord, marriage dissolved with mutual consent.
Married somewhere else, 4 days back.
Right now, she has married for the second time and blessed with a daughter.
So,
Yes.
My lord, may I suggest one thing? On video conferencing, she may join.
anytime, no problem. Tomorrow?
Sixth man.
Sixth.
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth. But accused persons?
Yes.
Accused person, I will, if your lordship want, I will call them.
I don't know.
I will call them. Because only one thing.
Settled, then accused has to be there.
One thing, my lord, 2, 3. One is 85 years old.
Oh, forget them.
And 3 is 81 years
2
old.
and 3 you forget.
Again. Baki on them.
Other people.
Others.
Again.
Sixth, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
VC rapier.
Yes.
101.
Oblige. Madam, please.
Sure. Out of a matrimonial dispute, your lordship, on the last occasions, it fell from my lord that the parties be directed to appear. I've ensured the husband being present on VC. He has not been probably allowed into the VC.
Not allowed.
देखिए
Okay, there. 101. Somebody is there.
Nitish.
Nitish.
allow करो
My lords.
Nitish Prasad.
My lords. I couldn't ensure the wife. No.
In the line. What is this matter?
The matter is that the petitioner who is invoking the power 482, they are the employee of the Afghan company.
My lord, I am PC lordship. I want only one possible lordship. Mr. Kanugal Lakes in another court.
Possible.
Lordship, keep it to next week, my lord. I have some another court matter. Next week also. I am giving one judgment in a CR number 551 of 23 and 922 of 23. That was purely covered by the judgment. 306 is concerned. Last occasion, your lordship done.
Mr. Sahu, learned counsel for the opposite party.
Yes, I have supplied.
Give it and
Thank you.
ସେଇଟା ତ ଅମର ହିଁ ମିଳିଲ ନାହିଁ 551 of 23.
Oh, you keep it on 20th or 21st. First, interim order to continue. Interim order to continue. Yes, next.
103.
103, yeah? Yes. Mediation report.
Mediation fails.
Failed.
ହଁ କାରଣ ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟିଏ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ହେଲା ଇଏ ଯାହାକୁ ବାଡେଇକିରି ଆଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଭାଗ ପଡିଥିଲା 4 ବଖରା ଘର ଇଏ ରହିବାକୁ ସେଠି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଲେନି ବାଡେଇ ବିଦା କରିଦେଲେ ପାଚେରୀ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ସେ ତାଙ୍କ 4 ବଖରା ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଆଙ୍କ ଭାଗ 4 ବଖରା ସେ ସିମ୍ପଲି କହିଲେ ମତେ 4 ବଖରା ଘର ଦିଅ ଆମେ ରହୁ ଆମେ ଭଡା ଘରେ ରହୁଛୁ କହିଲେ ସେତିକି ଆଗ ତମେ ସାର ସେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଫେଲ୍ଡ ସେ ରାଜି ହେଲେ ନା ଇଏ ରାଜି ହେଲେ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଲସୋ ମାଇ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ଟ୍ରାଏଡ ହିଜ ବେଷ୍ଟ
And my senior did not try his best. This is what is happening. I'm sorry to say, Lord. I'm very sorry. With all respect.
We all have to persuade these litigants to settle the dispute instead of, what to do now?
ହବନି ସେ ଘର ଛାଡିବେ ନାହିଁ ନା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେବେ ନାହିଁ ମୋର ଯାହା ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ
I can't quash it now. I can't quash it. Then
Yes.
the matter was referred
how-
to mediation. No, matter was referred to mediation. The mediation report has been placed.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ କୁ ଯାଉ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଟ୍ରାଏ
No, mediation report dated 10/4/2024 is placed on record. according to the mediation report,
ସେ ରାଜି ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି?
Parties did not agree to, mediation was unsuccessful, despite efforts. Full stop. Mediation report is taken on record. Next problem. Insofar as the merits of the present case is concerned, I am not inclined to interfere at this stage. The petition is dismissed with the liberty to the petitioner to raise all the points at the appropriate stage of the trial. Yes. Next.
104.
At the time of charge.
Yes, I have said. Yes, sir.
My lord, 104.
Hmm.
For my lord, the matter has already been settled.
Hmm.
No, settled. Already settled. Already settled.
Now, where are they?
We have refunded the money of the complainant, and the matter has been settled. I've
So where are the accused?
accused.
ICC case. The accused has to be there. Complainant has to be there. Nobody is there.
Complaint counsel is there, but she has not come somewhere else, and I'll also affidavit that she has no objection.
On that basis, it can't be done, sir. At least tomorrow they'll wriggle out of this. They'll say that I have not given.
Yes,
How will I know?
my lord, the complainant advocate is there on virtual mode, my lord, in virtual court at Bhubaneswar.
That's it.
Yes.
That's it. I am for the opposite party. In this case, the matter has already been settled. And also the opposite party.
It's all right, but call your client also. He should be there beside you.
My lord, put up in next week so that I call for.
So it- 6th, on 6th, 7th, 7th May. 7th May.
My lord, 6th.
Okay, 6th.
Oblige.
6th.
She will come here and say.
All
Yeah.
right, let
That is
I want to see it is a 1cc case.
Yes, ma'am.
The complainant has to come at least.
Yes.
Yes.
Just I'm filing the.
Yes, give a copy to him.
Yes.
Next.
105.
My lord, item 105, I pray for an adjournment.
Why?
That's notice was issued, we have filed requisites on 15/3, my lord, but the opposite party has not appeared yet. But I'm appealing for open number 1.
Interim order is there.
I'm appealing for open number 1, my lord.
Is appearing.
Yes. The 2 is concerned, the branch manager, he has not, he has not written, my lord.
It can be heard, or you are asking for time.
Let's say conditional order, he has to deposit 1 lakh, my lord. Till that he has not deposited.
Deposit 1 lakh. Otherwise, you vacate it.
Thanks to the order written, my lord.
See, in the subject to the petitioner depositing so and so 1 lakh rupees, court below further proceeding state.
Yes,
He
till that
did not deposit further proceeding in that state.
Listen, by that. I'll keep it to next week, my lord, so we'll deposit.
Whether you deposit or not.
They have not deposited, my lord.
Further proceeding state subject to deposit.
Exactly.
You proceed, not depositing.
Let's clarify the trial court.
What clarification now? What is pure simple English?
And that's true, my lord, but the stay orders, the conditional stay order was there.
Next
but-
week, Rasidia.
Nice. That's interim order. He's
Interim
not
order is
depositing.
there, you have not deposited, interim order is gone.
Exactly, my lord.
What to do?
I want to mention, my lord, can I submit one thing, my lord, in, till the accident, the prisoner may be protected, interim protected. The NBW is there, my lord.
Which one?
104.
Further, NBW.
Yes, madam.
Give me the date.
NBW date टा कौन तो?
Okay.
Execution of NBW issued by so and so court on such and such day shall remain stay till next date of it. That's what the 104. Give the dates. And
Obliged.
next.
I'm giving the copies.
106.
Yes,
Quashing of criminal proceeding, my lord.
Yes.
On the ground that there were on the same self allegation earlier, one FIR was lost by the informant. The petitioner faced the trial. They have been acquitted, and just after acquitted, in the same self allegation again has been made against the present petitioners, and the informant is the wife.
What are the allegations?
Your lordship,
In this case?
in this case, my lord, at page 11, your lordship, I have annexed the FIR, and the relevant page is, my lord, at page 13, my lord.
Read.
My lord. ଲେଖିବାର କାରଣ ଏହିକି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଶ୍ରୀ ସୁଆଂଶ
You are the husband.
I am husband, father-in-law, mother-in-law, mother. କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି ବାସିନ୍ଦା ଗତ ପ୍ରାୟ 10 ବର୍ଷ ତଳେ ସାମାଜିକ ପ୍ରଥା ଅନୁସାରେ ଶ୍ରୀ ଦୈତାରୀ ମଙ୍ଗରାଜ
Relevant part ପଢନ୍ତୁ ନା।
ହଁ ଧର୍ମ ମୁଁ
Here is the case. 205 petition has been rejected by the learned.
205?
Yes, ma'am.
130 Act.
130 Act.
317 is there. You move. Proceed. What is the check amount?
Amount 50,000.
Give 50,000 rupees.
Very good. That bank re se account nathila hi. Axis bank ro check jota.
You had issued the check 50,000.
Se check ta jo lagechhen ar account nahi.
How many installment you want to pay? Pay in installment finish. You are spending money in litigating in the High Court and trial court. In the process of defending, you have spent more than 50,000 rupees.
One, please, that he has no account that which check has been.
Don't ask about merit. I am not asking about merit.
20.
Ask your client. You pay an installment and finish it up. You end up spending more in the litigation. It's a matter of 50,000 only. Okay.
I got a data. So
you also take little less and finish up.
I am poor people broiler farm.
Installment is khatam karo. Come with installment. Next week.
I would tell you.
Come with some money.
25,000
or 50%. Bring, then another 50% later on.
ତାହାର ସେଇ ଗୋଟିଏ ଚେକ୍ ତା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରେ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ ଯୋଉ ଚେକ୍ ତାର ହେଇଛି ସେଇଟା ସେଇ ଗୋଟିଏ ତାର
You want to fight it out by spending lakh of rupees.
ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେଇ ଆସେ
Next week.
ଖାଲି ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମର୍ଡରଟା ଥିଲା
Entry mode.
108.
108. Petitioner 2 died. In the meantime, I have to delete the name and thereafter matter.
Let consider petition submits that petition number 2.
In fact, Lordship, in this case, we are appearing. In this case, last order is that for the medicine was
Medicine failed. I just information.
So now the case is that they are trying to quash the proceeding. See, Morila to ठीक है regular there she can try all this.
Morila ठीक है
here this report is supposed to deal with the matter where she is asking for quashment of the entire proceeding. Because on a sympathetic ground, the matter was referred to mediation. Lordship can see last order. Although the party concerned, the informant lady was there here, and Lordship declared that she was not interested for settlement. But
submit and merit.
What is the offense?
Offense, serious offense is there. 498 other things are there. Nude
I will submit, my lord.
Charge sheet is submitted.
10 days for
Anyway,
October 2022, Lordship, charge sheet is submitted.
You are challenging the entire criminal.
Entire criminal proceeding.
Allegations are serious.
Yes, serious.
So therefore, I send it to mediation because there may be some
settlement.
Nothing is working out.
Nothing.
So I will dispose it up, raise all the points.
All the points, yes. And since
on my oral prayer, your lordship may delete.
Then consider petition submits that the petitioner number 2 has expired. He wants to delete the petitioner from the area of parties. Insofar as next. In the present petition, petitioner is seeking quashing up the entire criminal proceeding in connection to the GR case number 530 of 2022, pending in the court of JMFC Tirthur. The matter was referred to mediation. The mediation cell.
Flag 2.
Which mediation?
Flag 2, Lordship.
Tirthur.
No, it is Jagatsinghpur.
Jagatsinghpur, huh?
Jagatsinghpur.
The
Flag 2 is a report.
District Mediation Center, Jagatsinghpur, have submitted a report inter alia stating that the mediation was is unsuccessful. Mediation report is taken out of court. Keeping in view the peculiarity of the case, I am not inclined to entertain this petition at this stage. However, the petitioner is given liberty to raise all the points at the stage of filing of charges. With this liberty, the petition is disposed.
That's one more line, my lordship. Since October 2022, the charge sheet is submitted. October 2022, lordship.
Charge has not been.
That's true. For I pray lordship say expedite trial.
That I have.
There was the charge sheet. I understand, lordship, because there was a pending for this reason.
Whatever. Now I have charge is not framed. How can I expedite the trial? If he discharged, then
the consequences should be there.
Friend will approach here.
Then no, he will say, he will say that since the High Court has said that expedite trial, you have to frame the charge.
Not exactly.
He will get another.
Lordship say they learn trial court, but take all endeavor to close the proceeding. That will
Trial court will
get full.
109.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, sir.
Here the present minors, the present petitioners are the in-laws members, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship, my learned senior friend is appearing. Here the case, Your Lordship.
First of all, you tell me, they are the in-laws.
Minors.
And
mother-in-law, there is Roja.
Why did you? I'll send it to mediation and settle it. Okay. The dispute is arising out of a matrimonial.
In this case, a husband is not a party.
Notice was issued. All the matters I'll send. Notice was issued to the opposite party number 2, who is the who is husband.
Husband is not a petitioner before this honorable court.
Since the dispute is a matrimonial one, the same could be settled through mediation. Therefore, I am relegating to the parties, relegating the parties to the which mediation center? High Court mediation.
Yes, court of matter.
Delhi, sorry, Odisha High Court mediation center. The coordinator is directed to issue notice to all the parties, and fix a date for exploring the possibility of mediation. How many cases do you have apart from DV case?
The one divorce proceeding on behalf of husband is filed before the Law and Family Judge Kotak, and DV case. This one is pending before the JMFC.
In DV case, husband is also a party.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Right. The coordinator of mediation cell also issue notice to the husband of opposite party number 2 while exploring the possibility of mediation. Okay. Awaiting mediation report. Yes.
I for stay further proceeding.
I am staying the further proceeding.
Minus.
Further proceeding in DV case so is stayed during the mediation process.
Oblige.
110. All the matters, all the regarding divorce and everything you decide and finish up.
Once the matter will be settled, everything will be settled.
110, my lord, is a matrimonial dispute, my lord. Your lordship,
110,
my lord.
Yes.
Your lordship may refer this matter to the mediation Kotak, my lord.
Where is the opposite party?
Opposite party already appeared, my lord.
Who is
Mr. Das has appeared.
This is the FIR.
No, my lord. It is a matrimonial appeal. I have challenged before this honorable court, challenging the 125 proceeding, my lord. The order of 125 proceeding.
What happened to your divorce petition?
Now, no, that we will, because your lordship will decide, send for the mediation, we will decide.
Anyway,
divorce, no, except this petition, no divorce petition will file, my lord.
Right, but who is appearing for opposite party number 2? He has to.
It is already appeared, my lord. It is there in the.
Dilip Kumar Das. Dilip Kumar Das.
Where is he?
Nobody.
Last occasion, your lordship direct that coordinator will issue the notice by your lordship.
The present matter is arising out of the matrimonial dispute. A notice was issued to the opposite party number 2, Mr. Dilip Kumar Das. Dilip Kumar Das. Advocate had entered appearance, but in the last date of hearing, he did not appear before this court. Since the matter is arising out of a matrimonial dispute, I feel it appropriate to refer it to mediation center for exploring the possibility of.
But High Court mediation center.
Accordingly, the parties are directed to appear before the appear before the Orissa mediation
High Court.
Orissa High Court Mediation Center on the date to be fixed by the coordinator and coordinator of the coordinator Orissa High Court Mediation Center is directed to issue a fresh notice to the parties to the dispute,
Yes.
and explore the possibility of settlement, file a report, awaiting report.
Well, stay further proceeding is there. Let's stay for the time being.
Subject to petitioner continuously paying the maintenance awarded by the court.
My lord, may I pay, my lord? I will deposit it 10,000 before this.
I don't want to go into subject. Whatever maintenance is given, you keep on paying.
Keep on paying.
It is a matter of survival. Subject to petitioner keep on paying the
maintenance 50,000
already awarded to the petitioner, to the opposite party number 2, the further proceeding in so and so.
My lord, may I submit, my lord? What I am submitting, my lord, I will deposit the 50% of the award amount before the registry, my lord.
What is wrong in keep on paying?
Again, ସେଠି ଆଉ କିଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ହେଇପାରିବନି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କାରଣ ୱାଇଫ ଇଜ ରିଜାଇଡିଂ ଦେयर ଆମ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଚାଲିଛି ଆସିଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇ ଯାଇପାରିବ
No,
ସୋ ସେ ଅନୁସାରେ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ରେଡି ଟୁ ପେ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ
This can't be stayed because how will they survive?
ସେ କାଇଁ yes lordship what is my my lord my problem is my lord because there is a proceeding is going to be initiated the execution proceeding your lordship if the matter will settle here my lord
Therefore, I'm staying, sir. I'm staying.
my lord
I'm staying the proceeding before the
ମୁଁ ସେ ପାଇଁ କହୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା କ'ଣ କି 18,000 ଟଙ୍କା ହେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ 10,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଦେବି ଆଜ୍ଞା ରିପୋର୍ଟ
I
କରିବି
don't want to sit here and calculate 10,000 5,000 2,000.
ଅର୍ଡରଟା ହେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା
No.
ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି
Subject to making every month payment, the proceeding is stayed.
Yes, right.
That's all. Not beyond that.
କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ଯାର
Yes.
ଏ ପାସ ଅପାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା ପାସ
Yes. 92.
Well, at 92, your lordship, my associate is handing over the copy, receipt showing the service of copy, my lord.
There is no problem.
She has considered that she has got the copy.
My lord, why
Now
a
you
false
tell me.
statement was being made that I am not handed over the copy?
You settle outside the court.
ତା
I am
ଉପରେ
not
ସେ
on that.
ଆଉ କିଛି କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା
Yes, next you tell me.
କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା
on
କ'ଣ
merits.
ଆପଣ ମିଛ କଥା ଗୁଡା କହୁଛନ୍ତି? My lord, may kindly see the order dated 8/2/24.
ଗାଳି ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ହଉଛି ତାର ଗାଳି ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ହଉଛି
Yes.
And yeah, I don't like false statements. If you want to take time, take time. If you want to do, then do.
ସେ ପୁରା ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ତୁ ଆଉ ଏତେ କହନା କହ
ହଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ
all
ଖାଲି
right,
କହିବେ ଆମେ ଖାଲି ବସିବୁ
Alright,
ଶୁଣିବାକୁ।
you
This happens with everyone. She might
My
not be
lord, may
knowing,
kindly
junior
see-
might have got it.
My
Forget
lord,
it.
may kindly
Let us go ahead.
Yes, my lord, may kindly see the order dated 8/2/24. Here, what had happened, one 319 petition was allowed, and the present petitioners were summoned by the court to be added as an accused person in the court. My lord, that was challenged before your lordship in CRLMC number 273 of 24. In order dated 8/2/24, my lord may kindly see paragraph 6. Taking into consideration the nature of the allegation against the petitioners and of the present case, the petitioners are protected for 6 weeks so as to enable them to surrender to the jurisdiction of the trial court and seek appropriate remedy available to them under law as it is accordingly directed. So your lordship protected me for 6 weeks and directed me to surrender. I filed an IA, my lord, to modify this order. Your lordship modified the order by order dated 14/3/24. In 14/3/24, your lordship stated that I had stated that there are taking into the averments made in the application and the facts there are certain developments. The petitioners are granted liberty to file a fresh petition if so advised, and the protection granted to the petitioners by 8/2/24 is extended for a period of 1 month. This was the order Your Lordship modified. My lord, there is no dispute on that. My lord, what happened in the meantime? He moved an application, but the local lawyer, I don't know, my lord, this fact I should not suppress. Your Lordship may kindly take up IA number 2894 of 24, page 8.
Page 8.
8.
28.
Page 8.
2894. IA number 2894, which is now I'm seeking a modification.
Where is 2894?
Page 8, my lord.
Page 8.
of that IA.
IA number 2894.
94. Hard copy is 289.
IA number it's not matter.
2894. Modification.
Diary number 2.
ଯୋଉଟା IA ଟା ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି 2894 ତାର page 8.
IA ନାହିଁ ନା?
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ?
IA 2894 ନା
ମୁଁ ଦେବି କି ମୋ
ଦେଖିବ ସେ ଦେଖିବ ଏଇଟା ହେଇଛି 2894 diary number. Anyway, page 8.
Yes, my lord, order dated 2/4/24. Here what had happened, pursuant to Your Lordship's direction in order dated 14/3/24, my lord,
What have you filed? There is only 3-page application. That too diary.
No, my lord, 2894. IA number 2894.
2894 is a diary number which you have filed consisting of 3 pages.
No, my lord. 2894 is different IA. There are 9, Your Lordship is taking up 983, no, 2894 of 2024. IA number 2894.
That's what I'm saying. 2894 is the diary number which you have filed, and that may be the IA also, but it is only consisting of 3 pages.
No, my lord, it is consisting of 46 pages. 46 pages.
Total 46 pages
ଇଏଟା ଅଛି ମାନେ ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ ଟାକୁ
ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ ମିଶେଇକି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି।
No, it's not checked.
It's not there on the record.
My lord, it is there, my lord. It is a flag mark, my lord.
It is there in your file, not where is that? Flag mark ଅଛି?
No such IA has been filed. No such IA has been filed.
Yes, there are 2 IAs, my lord. There are 2 IAs. One is 983 and one is 2894. ମିଛ କଥା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ କୁହେନି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆରେ ତତେ ମୁଁ କିଛି କହୁନି, ଆମେ ଏଠି କଥା ହଉଛୁ।
I don't tell lies in court.
ଆଜ୍ଞା, you are very correct. କିଛି କଥା
Conduct shows.
ତ କଣ ହେଇଛି?
There is no application. Is there any application?
My lord, what I'm just saying, man. I filed pursuant to Your Lordship's.
I am having the copy. If Your Lordship wants, I can.
No, it should be there on
the record.
Otherwise I can't
That
take.
is true. That is true.
My lord, it can be disposed. Your Lordship may see, my lord, pursuant to Your Lordship's order dated 14/3/24, I filed an application, but the application was, however, withdrawn. What I am saying, my lord, now the final charge sheet has come wherein I have not been named. Your Lordship may only permit me that I'll move a fresh application in the trial court, in the court session of the matter. He will decide that whether I am liable to be discharged or not. That much I am saying.
No, my lord, the entire thing has not been placed before Your Lordship.
My lord, let that IA come tomorrow.
My lord,
Let that IA come tomorrow.
let it come tomorrow. No problem. Let it come tomorrow.
My lord, IA number 2894 may be called for.
ଅଛି 3ଟା ପେଜ ଅଛି ବୋଲା କହୁଛନ୍ତି। ଅଛି only 3 page.
That's what I'm saying. 3 pages.
Actually, page 47 page. Mr. Bose, kindly verify page
Let's get, you are in from his office,
Page
take it up.
44.
Lead it up.
Chart sheet copy, page 44.
Yes,
Huh?
yes. That
Yes.
I am saying.
Yes. Yes, 44 is chart sheet.
But it is not numbered, nothing.
But the IA is not included the chart sheet copy. IA is separate and the chart sheet copy is separate. That is the process.
You set the record.
Yes.
Friday.
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 Obliged.
Set the record. Huh?
But okay, ଆପଣଙ୍କର side ରେ ଟିକେ ଏପଟ
Can I
side
say one thing? My lord, now NBW has been issued. Can it be, my lord, tomorrow or day after? I'll be arrested.
My lord, one
Day
of
after,
the
my lord.
day after, so
Let it be day after.
one of the person has already moved an application for bail. Anticipatory that has already been dismissed.
He is not a party in this proceeding.
Yes,
Anyway.
yes, in this case. He is a party, very much.
Come to come.
Day after tomorrow, man.
99.
May I please?
90?
99.
99, my lord. The Sean has lodged a complaint case.
Just, your lordship, I pray one thing, your lordship. Just on last occasion, I received the CLMC copy. So may I permit to file one objection regarding
For
to
the
that?
son.
I'm for the
Yes, son.
son.
You want to prosecute your mother, who is 82 years old.
No, what happened, your lordship? There is
Whatever might have happened.
imperson and fraud, and your lordship, there is some mistake.
See, you are fighting for property. She is at the death, is going to die after some time. So, and still you want property from your mother and prosecuting your mother.
I am also one the legal heir of the property. Your
For that reason, he has also filed a
Why
suit,
are you
my lord.
making your mother as a
My lord, civil suit is filed against the mother.
Because of, for a moment, your lordship, they have submitted 2 affidavits before the RDA, your lordship.
Their mother has
What is,
submitted.
this FIR is law?
Your lordship, kindly
And
for
this
a
is a
moment,
complaint
your
case, your
lordship,
lordship, go tell me.
see the complaint.
Complaint case, na?
Yes, my lord, I was in a complaint case, my lord. Before,
Have I stayed it?
yes, that is stayed, my lord.
Stayed, na? Already stayed, na?
My humble son before this,
For a-
go tell me, this,
It September logadi. Stay continue. Keep on fighting. Stay to continue September.
Next week,
No, September, month of September.
I will place
You are
your
so
lordship.
keen to prosecute your mother. You prosecute. She is 82. Why don't you understand?
The misappropriation is there.
Whatever
your
may,
lordship.
whatever may be.
And
Let
some
it be
fraud
part
is-
of it.
They have submitted
No.
2 affidavits, and that
They, who they?
put
Who
the
they
signature.
means who?
only the mother.
Legal hair also,
Who they
the
means who?
property.
In so far as this case is concerned,
Only the
only the
cognizance.
mother is the part.
Present petitioner is not a mother.
Yes, mother, mother Mukhan.
Maladipra.
The cognizance has been taken against the mother only. And before the filing of the complaint case, he has also filed a civil suit regarding the self-same property in the 2018, which is pending. During pendency of the proceeding, he has lodged a complaint.
What is this? Your lordship filed the petition suit, but
Your lordship-
thereafter, before that also, one son also filed before the RDA.
You may
for
have any grievance
transfer of the
against your brother, sister, whatever.
Yes.
Why have you filed?
Hey, what happened? This is a very peculiar situation in this case, your lordship. What happened,
Nothing
your lordship?
peculiar
Kindly
about
turn to for a moment. Your lordship turn to the complaint case.
I
your
will
lordship.
not hear anything. Judgment reserve. I'll pass it.
Your lordship.
82 years. What are you trying to do?
Your
For
lord-
the property you want to prosecute your mother? You can keep on fighting with your brother, sister, whatever.
No, what happened, your lordship? Because of your lordship.
Since
in
1995,
affidavit
she
of-
left the house. Your lordship kindly say.
Whatever, I am not going into the merits at all.
Affidavit of
I am
file
not
concern.
going into merits at all.
He has
You
not
can
put-
keep on fighting with your brother, sister, whatever.
So give
but
give me a chance.
Let your mother die peacefully.
Give me a chance, your lordship. Kindly permit
No,
because
no
of a
chance.
legal matter, your lordship. So give me a chance to file
Legal
a
aid better
reply.
than you peacefully. No,
Your lordship, kindly consider your.
What happened, you know, if I adjourn, she is 82-year-old. You don't know when, at least she should peacefully die.
For a moment, your lordship, kindly take a next week, any date, your lordship, I will just take
Day
one
after tomorrow,
instruction.
day after tomorrow.
The day after difficult because of Raul Kalai. Next week, though, any date.
Monday.
Yes, yes.
Monday.
Highly obliged.
Monday.
Highly obliged.
No,
No, I undertake to that.
Opportunity, the
Yes.
military urgent to Monday, it is made clear.
No, that I undertake to. I am not taking any other bit.
No further attempt.
Yes, yes.
Because you request that.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Highly
and
obliged.
come, the best thing would come and say that you pass.
Yes,
Pass
your
mark.
yes, your lord.
That's the best thing.
Highly obliged.
Using the court the proceeding for settling this court. Yes. Next.
Revision matters.
Revision देखियो कितना उसमें कौन कहीं पे रहो
111, 111.
Anybody is there?
111.
111.
111. My lord, I pray this matter may kindly be taken up after vacation.
Why?
My lord, we tried to get in contact with the petitioner. We have not yet received any intimation back from him.
2011
Yes, my lord.
matter. What was the age by that time? Let us see.
Age.
39 years.
That time 39. 2011 39 means maybe.
Factory at 96 and 92.
Please treat up.
112.
Hey, let it be there on the board.
Board, sir.
Meanwhile, you try, huh?
Okay, my lord.
112. 113.
1 minute. 12 record देखो
Trial could convicted 452, 324. Array for 2 years, fine 500.
What was the age of the? That time 50 and 25. One accused is 50, another accused 25.
57, 32. 57. Appellant, petitioner 1, 57 by the time of filing of revision. Petitioner 2, 32.
Then they will be there. Next.
113. Somebody
13.
mentioned for urgent. Somebody mentioned for urgent.
13 urgent, first
Urgent. Yes.
114.
1 week more time because I have sent a letter to the petitioner, but it is written that insufficient address.
Let it be on the board. We'll see.
Yes.
My lord. I'll try to contact with the lower court.
If any response comes, then.
115.
Today I'm appearing in 115.
Entering appearance. Then you can argue.
Conviction.
What is the offense?
307 326.
Let us see. Injury report. So.
Injury report is there.
See the injury report.
Yeah.
Mr. Maharaj, see. Yes. Injury report. Jodi.
S7.
7?
S7.
Of the paper.
Of the impugned.
Impugned.
Yes.
Impugned order code is
Impugned order is HCGM.
Judgment.
Judgment order code is so.
Judgment.
Judgment.
Para 5.
Para 5. कहाँ कौन फाइल कर सुने बंद
What started? Evidence is clear.
हाँ.
You got it?
Yes.
Evidence is clear. That on that day, this appellant asserted the incumbent by means of a kati causing multiple injuries on each person. No such element was found in the evidence of level 2 as to be discredit him. Minor discrepancy are to be overlooked and overmuch importance not be given to them. It also appears from the evidence on record. The next part. That PW2 and his brother were assaulted on the same day of occurrence at about 10 a.m. and thereafter on 4 p.m. This appellant assaulted him, PW2 by means of a kati.
Come to para 7. Come to para 7. PW5, the doctor.
This
Type copy. Page 4.
Page 4.
PW5, the doctor, who had examined the injured and so and so at about so and police requisition, had found one lacerated wound on the size of 3 into 1 so and so in depth situated in the
briefly describing case 10.
Sorry, page 9. Page 9 देखना display inside wound number 1 number multiple injuries. Total number of injuries are 13. Total number of injuries are 13. 13 injuries are there. Various injuries.
What is the sentence?
Sentence 7 years.
7 years.
7 years.
Undergone how much?
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଆଜି actually ପ୍ରଥମ
So,
ଦେଖିଲି।
ଦେଖ
undergone ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ
ହଁ ଯଦି କରିହବ undergone କରିହବ ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ଦେଖିବି
ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଯଦି
LCA
undergone
ଟା
ହଉଛି
ଦେଖିବି।
326 କରିକି
ହଁ ନାଇଁ LCA ଟା ଦେଖିଦେଲେ ଜଣା ପଡିଯିବ କେତେ
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ଦିନ
ଆପଣ
ନାହିଁ।
LCR ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଥାଉ ଗୋଟେ ରେକର୍ଡରେ ଥାଉ ଏଠି ଥାଉ matter let the matter be there on the board.
Okay.
Leisurely you come see whenever he wants to see so the record.
ଅଛି pendrive
Which Pradhan
pendrive ରେ ନେଇଯାଅ।
Learned Council for the particular entered appearance file Bokaratnama fitness record. And would you like to take LCR by
ହଁ ସେଇଟା ନହେଲେ ଜାଣି ହବନି କେତେ ଦିନ
pen drive
pendrive ନଦେଲେ ଜାଣି
ଆପଣ ପଠେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଜୁନିୟର pen drive yes ନେଇକି you read it then yes
116
whenever you are ready after 3 o'clock
ଗୋଟାଏ ତ ଅଛି କେବଳ PW2 ଡିସବିଲିଭ କରିକି ଯାହା ହବ ହବ ଆଉ ନହେଲେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
corresponding ଦେଖିଦେବେ ଇରି ରିକଭରି ଫିକରି ଅଛି ନାହିଁ yes
116
16
116
307 5 years.
Mr. B.K. Ragada Land Council now become additional.
By the time my name is done, but no, what is concept? Somebody is asking for adjournment. In the beginning,
In this.
adjournment.
So how record? Yes.
What is 117?
Your Lordship, in 117, there is a compromise about to made. So praying for
139 Act.
138 NI Act.
Very good.
So praying for 10 days time to.
10 days. Let it be there on the board. Whenever you compromise, come and I'll this.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Let it be there on the board. Let counsel for the petitioner submits that the parties have settled their dispute. The matter is arising out of a complaint under section 138
NI Act.
NIA. Huh?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Bus, urgent.
118.
118, Your Lordship, praying 10 days time.
Why?
We are unable to contact the party, Your Lordship.
Why are you so fascinated about 10 days?
My senior has
Why should
instructed,
we-
Your Lordship. As my senior has instructed.
What is this case is about?
It is 47A, under section 47A of Bihar and Odisha Excise Act.
Next week, next week, next week.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
So that few more appeal and all you can add.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Whatever.
119. Last
19.
Last time. You know, Arthur
19? କଣ ହେଲା?
Arthur କି ଆସିନଥିଲେ?
ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି
Notice ଯାଇଛି।
Notice ଯାଇଛି sir. Notice କରି
notice to the petitioner.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Let it be there on the board.
Board.
You can.
Yes.
Thank you.
ଏଇ ରହିଲା ବୋର୍ଡ ରହିଲା